can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. Yeah, they like Stevie, they can't see me, they wanna beat me. I'm in that guinea, looks like zucchini. Wanna feed you, it ain't need me. She won't please me, cause she need me. Her like me, they like mine. 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 Yeah, we shoot our helicopters, monsters. We pull up with sticks and hella choppers. We don't fuck with niggas, they the cops. I put my heart and soul into the Glock. Bitch, us, never them. You ain't that, bitch, I'm him. You get zapped if it's static. You that Mac, it go fume. Smoking gas, smell the fume. In that vet, it go fume. I'm a vet, little dude. You a pet, do what I say, not what I do.
Let's get that whole concept 642.
Come here. I just see some niggas down the block that ain't from here. No, I got a lot, but I need some damn more, yeah. If I catch the odds, then I'm up in the damn score, yeah. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. Yeah, they like Stevie, they can't see me, they won't beat me. I'm in that guinea, looks like zucchini. Wanna feed you, it ain't need me. She won't please me, cause she need me. Her like me, they like mine. Her like me, she like mine. Her like me, she like mine.
Yo, yo. Alrighty, what up, chat? What's going on? Good morning. Hope you guys have your coffee today, because it's gonna be a long one today. 12 hours. I'm playing. No 12-hour stream, but it's gonna be an interesting day today. Very interesting day, man. I want the music today too. I mean, fuck it, right? Who cares for YouTube money, right, chat? Let's just play music. Hold on. Let me just choose a playlist. Yes, interest right there. Yes, sir. Chat, we'll get started. Don't worry. We have like. We can get that NASA done within the next 10 minutes. We'll have time, don't worry. Give me 1 second. Let me just get things sorted real quick. I actually woke up pretty early today. You know, it's just the Timmy's long is kind of long. For some reason today. Don't blame me, blame Timmy's. Hold on. Let me just find something. All right. Let me just play this for now. I think I'm just gonna play safe haven music for now, and we'll just find the rest later. For sure, this is all safe. All right. What up, chat? Good morning. Welcome back. Brand new day. That's in the Zoom link. Yes, I did. Send the Zoom link. Sick. All right, cool. Yeah, chat. What up? It's a brand new day today. Today you have interest rates, so pretty big day for us. Interest rates. What does that mean? Well, that means that today they are going to raise rates for the pound. So things get very interesting today. All right, let's see. Okay, so yeah, you have interest rates at 7. I don't think you have anything going on today regarding the US news, regarding USD, US dollar. It's just gonna be the pound today, the main focus. But 7 a.m., which is in about 13 minutes here. Right, get ready, get prepared. I mean, they're expecting to raise rates, I believe, by 0.50. So from 0.25 to 0.7, or from 125 to 175, which is an increase of 0.50, 0.50, right? So yeah, this is like, I think for the year, the 4th time they're raising rates. They raised rates on the March 17th, and then they raised on the 5th. So from 0.75 or 0.50 to 0.75 to 1 to 1.25, and now to 0.75. So instead of going to 1.50, like, you know, as they were going at that pace, right? 125, 50, 75, the 1%, 125. They went from like a 0.50 to like a 0.75 now. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna raise rates. I mean, is it gonna be priced in? Well, let's see. Let's find out. Again, there won't be any buy stops and sell stops for news. Won't be any sell stops. Won't be buy stops. If you want at your own risk, go ahead and do so. That's just not the way I trade. But the good thing is that news is at 7 a.m. So you have like the whole day after to like whatever direction the market decides to hop on today. We're just gonna stick to that direction, and we have like the rest of the day to literally trade GJ. So it's great today. It's early news. You have the rest of the day. You have NY open still. You have NYC. So things get very interesting. So yeah, I wouldn't be too. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys caught GJ during London session. Pretty good shit. Yeah, I wouldn't be too concerned about you guys, man. You have plenty of room today to drive. All right. All right. Let's see. Am I muted? No, I'm not. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the charts real quick. So you have about 10 minutes left. Let me see if I can do this real quick. Let's do gold first, because gold is pretty straightforward today. Pretty straightforward day for gold. I think I posted my IG story yesterday. Basically all that happened here was there was a support formed here, and then there was a resistance formed here, right? How is that? How is there a support formed done? How? Just how? Well, you have this right here. Price went up. The trend was once bullish on the daily. You came up. You found a resistance. How did you find a resistance? Well, not because you tapped the resistance, but once you close bearish at resistance, that means that you found resistance. So look left at any given point. Price could have just drove down towards here or here, right? Look left at minor support levels. You have a minor support level here, minor support level here. So at those logical levels, that's where price could technically reject off of, right? But there's no confirmation until you actually close the bullish at support to confirm a support, because our closure of support is like a confirmation of actual support formed. And in this case, you have one right here. This candle closes bullish right at support. Today's candle, pretty clean traffic to the left hand side. To filter range minimum, that was my daily target. By looks of it now, you can say, okay, well, since the daily is starting to push up past the daily target, the weekly is starting to break the highs. There's a high chance the weekly time frame will probably top towards like 1808 this week, maybe even today. Who knows, right? What I do know is that the highs for the week is 1789. If you break 1789 today, there's a high chance you may continue up towards 1808 for the rest of the day. So things get very interesting. Let me just. Why is it not playing? Yeah, things get very interesting. So let's see. Buys for me today would probably be. I mean, you had plenty of opportunities for London. Asian had plenty of opportunities. Asian clean, London was clean. Let's see if New York's clean, but looks like we should get a continuation. Yeah, you did have once a resistance over here at 6 a.m. candle. You close above, looking left, you do have clean traffic now until like 1785. There's nowhere else to go but 1785 here. Looking left, that's all clean traffic to the left hand side. Probably another 30 pips going up in this range here. No, I'm not going to enter right now, if you guys are asking me. Yeah, so you have clean traffic till then, and then you have some type of resistance up here. So closure above here after would probably be clean up towards next resistance, towards like this area to the left hand side at like 1796 mark, I'll say. So I mean, looking left, that's all clean traffic. That range going up is around, let's see, let me see if I can just remark this up. Yeah, closure above here would be ideal. I'll say above 1785 you have clean traffic to 1786. All right, what would be great though is if we can, I mean, if this third minute can pull back for our last 7 minutes here, close above these ranges to the left hand side amount of resistance here, the next 3 minute candle likely should drive up at 7 a.m. and we may get buys for 7 a.m. all right, but let's see, wait like the next 7 minutes here. We're gonna be locked into GJ, but we're not we're probably not gonna trade GJ right at 7. We're probably gonna wait for like 7:15, 7:30 trade GJ. So we have time to trade gold here in this range here. All right. So this isn't bad. Yeah, buys above here, closures above, and then more buys above here, closures above, and then you can say this is a day target, 1796 levels. Looking left, day time from looking left, like you're looking at 1808 today, 1796ish levels. So that's the next range going up, right? But yeah, that's gold. On to the next pair, which is GJ. I mean, it should continue up here. It should fill the range for news here. It should be able to have 163.785 here, looking left. Daily is perfectly clean today. I'm pretty sure it was an easy read today off the daily as well. You had this support right here. Price closed back into the range yesterday. High chance you have to fill the range, which you did. I mentioned this target yesterday. You tapped it today instead. You came close yesterday. You pulled back for a wick fill today. You got a lower wick and float a wick and just continuation. Pretty clean day. Yeah, as for positions, I mean, as for targets, you're looking at next targets to be like 164,500. But again, interest rates coming, right? And the weekly is still bearish. The monthly is still bearish. At any given point, interest rates can literally pull price back down for pound, right? So be aware of that. But I believe we should be able to tap. Like, I mean, we technically tap it, but this resistance here by the end of the alley, and who knows, alley count might just come, the next alley count might just come down and break the lows, right? And maybe even come down. But again, it's not my place to predict where price is gonna go. I'm just gonna literally hop on a trend that price decides to choose right at 7 a.m. But yeah, you have a support at 163.707. So if I'm looking for sells today or buys today, I'll probably look for buys above 163.764. A closure above there would be ideal for buys going up towards here. And as for sells, it will probably be below here. So these are going to be your buys, and then sells will be below here because this would be a range 2 breakout. I'm pretty sure if we were to get one, right? Because this is a range 1 here, and then this, you can say this is a range 2. So price will break below. You'd probably see it later, probably form later, but range 2 will probably be below 163.007, going down towards next support, which is going to be down at like, I don't know, looking at 162.451. And then continuation and so forth, right? But yeah, you have plenty of room going up and going down today. Either way, whatever direction price chooses or market decides to adapt to at 7, we'll be on it for 7:30 and 8. All right. But yeah, go GJ. I mean, today should be a pretty straightforward day. We may get runners today. And yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Alrighty, that's about it. That's the analysis, and now we just wait for news here in 5 minutes, and it's gonna be interesting to look at. Alrighty, there was no trades yesterday. Actually, there were trades yesterday. There was New York, early New York. As for the stream though, there was no trades yesterday, and I mean today we could get a potential position, but let's see. Slow start to the month though. Same start as July, I guess. Same start as June, I think. But it's on the 4th day. Yeah, this is clean. Clean. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if news just pulls price down on a pound. If the reason rates. Right, it's gonna be good for the banks. Yeah, they're collecting all those extra fees now. But it's not good for the economy, right? It's crazy out here. Gambling DJ day, yeah. If you guys are gonna gamble the next 4 minutes and play DJ mode, I wish you the best of luck. I will be watching from the sidelines as I always do for news. I'm not gonna be a hero. I'm not gonna, do this chat. This isn't what we're gonna do today, right? We're not gonna do like this stuff on our analysis. It's gonna go up, then down, and up and down, and then back up, then to the left, go back to like 2017, come back to the current price, come up, create a bullish flag, come down. We're not gonna do that, right? We're not gonna predict where price is gonna go. What happened on gold? Gold's not impacted by the pound. We already had interest rates for gold. I'm looking for buys there. A third closure above here would be ideal though. A third closure above here, we can get a nice bottom wick for our next 30-minute candle, and then I believe the hourly and a 30 should likely drive up to fill the range at 17 to 5, and we may get positions going up by then. All right. Stops in the previous candle, if this is where price closes in 3 minutes or 2 minutes here, is going to be around like a 32 pip stop. TP is going to be around 42 pips. So things are interesting. Yeah, we'll probably get positions on gold for 7 a.m. here. 1 hour wick fill, 3 minute wick fill. The further we pull back, the better. But as long as it closes above 1780.406, we should be good to go up. Next 30 candle. Chat, go claim your. Now's the time to go in chat and put. I think GJ will go up. I think GJ will go down, and then once that happens, you can claim your TYG gang in about 5 minutes. Go ahead. Claim your, I think gold's gonna drive up, or GG's gonna drive up. I think GG's gonna drive down. And then in about 5 minutes, you can come back to the chat and say, I told you so. Natural time. Yeah, lock in the gold, chat. Lock in the gold. Funny, everyone's like, lock in the GJ, lock in the GJ. No, sir. Not touching GJ until 7:15. Let's see, 43 seconds. Cool. Give me a second. Let me just do this real quick. All right. Are y'all ready to see what news does? So for gold, we're in for a bottom wick here on the third closure, and then we'll have a buy stop probably on the break of the highs after a bottom wick is formed, and then for gold, we are going to have our GJ. We're just gonna watch price in 12 seconds there. What up, Paul Wall? Uh-oh. Let's see, chat. Yo. Oh, pushing up. Okay, cool. Can we get a bottom wick on gold here? How big are stops on the first 30? 36. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bit steeper than that for gold. Who got activated on buy stops and who's in drawdown now? Who made profit on buy stops and who, like, what happened there, chat? What did you guys do?
Yeah.
What did you guys do?
Fucked up.
I don't have buy stops on gold yet. I'm waiting for bottom wick here. I wasn't even expecting much because we're using pure count stops. I'm not really expecting to tap like per support or anything. I just need something decent, but it looks like price may just drive here without a decent bottom wick. No, it's fine.
It's a lot of volume, that's why.
Yeah. Yeah, GJ, once it breaks the 1 hour low, should continue to drive down here towards 163007 here. Oh, there's a push. Nice.
Yeah, news came out as expected.
Yeah. Yep. I mean, I was expecting pound to go down here with the interest rates. We were like, I mean, technically speaking, like that's what should happen. You have interest rates come out, they increase rates. It's, I mean, pound should continue to drive down, right? So, I mean, as for sells though, no sells to me just yet. Closures below 163007 would be great for sells though. All right. This would be great. This is going to be perfect. 7:15, 7:30 get a closure. We'll get positions. And gold here, you may still be able to get something. It's just, man, can we, Guess something a little steeper than that, gold. Let's see, range going up to the left takes you up towards 1785. I mean, what's the 4 hour doing here? Yeah, 4 hour resistance too. Great. If you can get a current kind of stop, that'd be great too. Like if we can come down chat to like 1780 and then create a bomb wick there, reflip, we can use the current kind of stop. On the break of the highs, it'll be like a 20 pip stop. TP is gonna be like 32. That wouldn't be too bad. Patience though. Yeah, how big is this range going down, GJ? 50 pips? Great. Yeah, 715 chat. 715. Maybe this 5 minute might drive, a minute and a half, but hey. Let's see. Play a sound. How big are spreads there? You see, Paul? I wasn't even looking at my thing.
Nah, I didn't even look.
Someone said 10 pips. I don't know. I didn't see. I mean, but they're back to normal now. 0.7. Oh, never mind. 2 pips. Just jumping.
0.7, going back to 2.7.
Nice. Yeah, this 15 closure below would be perfect for 715, guys. Perfecto. The only issue is your stop loss for the next 15. Pure kind of highs are obviously out of the picture because they're over 100 pip stops. You probably want a current count stop. So if the next count comes down, comes out, creates a top wick, you can have a sell stop on a breaker of lows on the 15, driving price down. Well, that's what I'll probably do. I'll let you guys know when, but
If that weekly flips bearish, it'll be sick.
yep, monthly, weekly are all still bearish though. The only thing I was bullish today was daily, but you can't tap the resistance there. All right, so now that weekly flips bearish after creating a steeper top wick, I mean, back down we go probably. Monthly's kind of chopped though. Weekly is a lot cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
Who has sell stops there, guys? Or buy stops? Okay, be honest. Who got clapped on buy stops? Just be honest. There's no one chat's gonna roast you. We're just, you know, just curious. 2x who had position. Cause I know damn well if it were to drive up, you'll be all in the chat saying, I just caught this for the day, I'm done for the day. You're done, you know, whatever, you know. So like, what'd you do today? Be honest. Chased it? So wait, did the sales after? What percentage game on stream last month? I think someone in chat calculated it. For 1% risk. Or 2% risk, I forgot what it was. But it's like an average of like 7, 8, 9% for each month on stream. I could be wrong, but it's around there. For stream trades only. Alright. We're not gonna create a bomb wick, are we? Yeah. It's fine. That's fine, gold. GJ? That's fine as well. I guess we're not getting a 15 closure. We're literally 6 minutes to the candle. This is great though. If you pull back, leave a wick fill, that'd be even better. But that's if we leave a wick fill. If you close exactly the way it is, then we're chalk for we're probably gonna have to wait for 7:30. But Badger, I got you on this thing real quick.
What's up, ladies? Swoosh your house, baby. What's up to all the ladies on the north side, south side, east side, west side? What's up in Bay City? What's up to all the ladies in Louisiana? What's up to all the ladies in Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, Marshall, Preview? It's going down. Warren County, Texas City, H-Town, baby.
Great. Lovely.
TSU ladies.
She moved out of state and shit then went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Her daddy is not around.
Is there news? Oh brother. Alright. 2 red flags. When you first start trading for a day, you want to be checking the forex factor every day. You know, actually you want to check the day before, the day prior, to be honest. But yeah, you want to be checking that. And 2, the stream title says interest rates. All right, so yeah, there's definitely news today. Chat, I really wanted these buyers on gold here. It's just kind of tough for current kind of stops. Like the only issue is really stops, but overall, like this alley kind of breaking the previous kind of high here. I mean, there's really nowhere to go now, but 17.5 here at this point. But it looks like I'm probably gonna wait for the 7:30 candle, or might not get positions here. Might just see prices drive towards 17.5, and that's fine.
GJ could pull back another like 30 pips.
Yeah, 35 here. That'd be great.
Mm-hmm.
You take a trade? Nope. It's on my screen. If I take a trade, it's always on my screen. Always on my screen. And then it's always planned prior. So you definitely know when I'm in a trade or when I'm about to enter a trade. Alright, just like every trade we've been taking this year. From beginning of the year to now, it's always been on the stream with links on the spreadsheet. So don't worry. You'll see on my screen. I don't really go and be. I'm never really like, yeah, guys, I got on buys on gold 30 minutes ago. Gonna close half or like. There's no point of me doing that, right? It's a stream for a reason. Talented? I don't think talented, man. I don't think trading is being talented. But I appreciate it. Devon V, round question. What would you consider a good month's percentage return would be bad? And normally what percentage do you risk per trade? You know, screw the percentages. You know what's better than that? Sticking to your plan. Doesn't matter if you're up or down for the month. As long as you spent that whole entire month staying disciplined to your plan, your playbook, you won. Like the rest will come naturally. Like if you continue to do that, your percentages will come. But don't focus too much on the what's a good percentage in a month, or how much, you know, like, well, like I need to make this percentage in a month. Like don't focus on that, or how much money you should make. Just focus on sticking to your plan, because the rest comes naturally. If you continue to work on your craft, which is work on your plan, the money comes later. That's why I always say, like, don't focus on the money effects. Like as stupid as that sounds, don't focus on money when it comes to trading. Just focus on improving your discipline, your strategy, your plan, your playbook, right? Everyone should have a playbook by now, but focus on your playbook, and the rest will come naturally, man. Check Discord. What channel? Or what am I looking at? Oh, charts? I got you guys. Closure above, closure below. What's yesterday? This is yesterday, right? This is yesterday. Bullish closure, bearish. Oh, bottom wick on gold. Hey, that's why we stick to our plan, chat. Because if you got FOMO there and you entered because you were scared that price is gonna drive a value, you, my friend, would be in a sticky situation right now. So, again, focus on your plan. Focus on your discipline, right? The rest will come naturally. If I were to focus on money there, I need to make money. I need to cash this 30 pip range. I would have got clapped, right? And it would have just took me 10 steps back. So. Get a bottom wick. Now the only issue now is like now you have a bottom wick, you probably want entries on the re-break of the highs, right? So things get interesting. The range going up now is very small. It's a 23 pip range. It's kind of tough for us to get a position here on gold. Like because you don't have any wick fills to the forward candle, right? This 1 hour can't leave a wick fill. It's a bearish candle for buys, right? 30-minute can't leave a wick fill. It's a bearish candle. We're probably gonna make our way down towards like 1780 here, 1780, 300. Let's see. We might get an onion play later, maybe at 7:30 or 8 a.m. But no position just yet by the looks of it. GJ here is gonna close the first 15 of the hourlies. Gonna close bearish here. So. No positions again. The only way I can get positions here if you pull back for a wick fill to like 162, 870. That might come at 930, so I'm gonna wait for that. It's either we get closures below here coming down for the range, or two, you get closures below 162, 400 for more sells coming down. But I mean, I'm pretty sure it's all clear right now with the direction and price today. You went buying a break at kind of highs. It's the RR, is it there? Because last time I checked, that was a bigger stop. It's like 29 pip stops. Target's only like 25. Unless you can force a 1-to-1. I mean, if you re-break the highs, I mean, 15-minute close here, right? 15-minute close, no bottom wick here. So if this is the low that price is going to create, if it re-breaks the highs, we may have a buy stop, yeah. I mean, you have an advantage point here, minimum of 16, 17 pips, and then over at TP be up here for like 86, 87. But if you re-break the lows, then it's kind of chalked because the RR isn't going to be there anymore, right? This guy said it. Hey, Current Globe. Whatever you Adam have in the chat, man. Just, you know, no need to argue with others about whatever, because at the end of the day, I mean, I'm with you on the sells, but I mean everyone has their own opinion in the chat, right? So like if someone wants to buy here, catching a falling knife, then go ahead. But this guy said hyena. Hey, what up, K? What up, K? Adam Paul, out of 3 years of my trading on stream, I've never once took a position because someone in chat said, buy now, I promise. Brother, never have I ever done that in the chat. Not because I have an ego or anything, because like, why would I listen to someone in chat when I spent my whole entire trading journey going off of my own perspective on the charts? Like I've been going off of my own perspective, my own sample sizing, my own back testing, and then for someone to say buy now, I promise it's gonna go up, take a buy randomly, like what? How does that make sense? Watch, it's gonna drive up here towards like 163, 800 for a wick fill. Is that the buys you're talking about? I mean, even if it does, I'm not interested in those buys. If I want buys today, it's probably gonna be above 163, 764, above there, unless you get a range 2, maybe above like 163, 300. But until you actually form those ranges, there's no buys for me. Oh, GJ gold. Did it re-break the lows? It didn't, right? Let's see. 15-minute starter play, 30-minute or 1 hour wick fill still. How big are stops? 0.9. Yeah, didn't re-break the lows. All right, cool. Came down to most recent support check. I have a buy stop right here, and right here at 1783.615. Buy stops there after steeper bottom wick has been created. Current count of stops, TP is gonna be up at like 1787 probably. But yeah, that's gonna be a trade. Alrighty. It's gonna be you can kind of just call that a 1 hour breakout. Current higher low. So go on the spreadsheet. Where's the copy link? Actually, I'm gonna just set the buy stop first. Nice, 29 pip stops. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, 1783.61 is the same buy stop on blue rare markets. All right, chat. So that's what we got going on today, or right now. Stop loss is current count low, so 1780.540. There's a account for spreads too. I'm seeing that now too, in case, you know. Cool. Buy stops here. I'm gonna break at the highs, so the trade is not valid until you actually re-break the highs. So that's why we have a buy stop there. Because we wanted entries on the hourly candle here, right, on the 30 candle for the wick fill, but we couldn't get that because we had no top wick, or no bottom wick. But now that you have a bottom wick, your entries are going to be in a re-break of the highs, right? Re-break of the highs will be in. TP is up here for 1787. I think that's gonna be around 34 pip stop or TP and 30 pip stop loss. That's gonna be a trade, and then break-even point is gonna be over here at 1785.330. Here comes the dawn, but gold is overbought. But dawn, it drove up 200 pips. Usually when gold drives up 200 pips, it can't drive up anymore. It has to reverse. You know. 21. Yo, Paul, you held you hit TP on that trade last night, Asian.
I left 25% again.
It hit runners, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
I was gonna close full, and then I was like, fuck whatever, I'm gonna just leave 25%. I left 25%, and I went to sleep, and I woke up, and I was like, oh shit.
Nice.
Yeah. I was literally like a pip and a half away from hitting off PE.
Yeah, I don't know. You guys, I guess some people got active before the buy stop price. It had a better entry, but yeah, I had that. It hit me by like maybe like a pip or two. B. Yeah, chat. This trade here on gold here is a 1 hour breakout. Current higher low, right, off 30. Or sorry, third breakout. Gold current higher low, so going to stats here. Gold 83, 84. 1 hour time frame we are 72. Third minute time frame we are at 93% this year with 39 trades taken. Breakout of the current higher low, we are 80% with 8 trades taken. The breakout, we are 78% with the 99 trades taken. So if you go on the 30 for breakout, current higher low, this trade is a 94.5% chance of playing out off of our own spreadsheet. You know, every day TT comes in the chat and says, now you know 1-to-1 or not a 1-to-1 every day, every trade TT. Guys, if you guys don't like the trade due to whatever reasons, RR, whatever, just don't take the trade. If you feel like it's high risk, don't take the trade. It's a trade that I've been taking my whole life, or, you know, on the spreadsheet for years and years and years. It's like, it's even if the trade were to hit stops, I'm gonna take it again tomorrow, right? But if you feel like, if you believe, like, you know, price is gonna drive and you don't want to take buys, then don't take buys. It's simple as that. You know, no one's gonna, like, you're on a live stream, I get it, but it doesn't mean you have to like copy everything that I do, right? Sometimes people disagree with others' opinions, and that's fine. You don't have to really follow exactly what we do. We're going off our own spreadsheet. That's what we're doing. Going off our own previous trades. The last time I took a trade like this, current breakout on a 30, I think it was current 30. I mean, it was a small win last time, but it was on the first, the GSL's current 30 breakout, current high low. Going July, we got a couple trades there too. All right, that's how we do our playbook.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close and see how the next 30 opens up.
Stops on Blueberry. Blueberry stops are going to be 1780.35.
Activated.
Whoa there, buddy. Someone chested that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your spreads are wild, my friend. Never even broke the highs. Okay, if you guys are trading, like, if you guys are scalpers, try to stay away from like non-ECN brokers, because your spreads are gonna be wild, and it doesn't make sense with the current strategy, right? At all. If you trade, like, if you're a scalper, you want to have smaller spreads, you want to go to ECN broker, or like they call it ECN direct raw spread account, whatever. There's a bunch of terms for them, but it's usually the option with the smaller spread. So whenever you guys see like this broker offers 0-0 to a 0-0 spread, whatever, that's the account you want to kind of go with.
It says they have a 15 pip spread. I don't think you have a 15 pip spread. I think you mean 1.5.
Yeah. I don't have to get confused with that all the time. I have a 10 pip spread. Because the spreads are always in points. So you have a 15 pip point. You have 15 points. You have 1.5 pips. Now there's very young man not using SMC. Yeah. Yeah.
People think SMC traders trade.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Sorry, I don't trade the banks, man. You know, unfortunately, you know, I'm a retail trader. I don't trade the banks, so tough. Here comes overbought comments.
Yeah, I was just waiting for it.
Yep. So I know I'm not, you know. I know when I say these things, like, I'm not tripping out. I just know they're gonna come. I know exactly how chat would react, and off of the chat's reaction to or a comment, I can tell what kind of type of trader they are off the rip, like strategy wise. If we break the current lows, we're just gonna delete the buy stops. I think we came how far there? Maybe 4 pips. but down one counters the trend. Can we get a 30-minute wick fill on GJ? If GJ can pull back, I mean I'll take GJ instead. If you can pull back to like 162, 800 here, we can take GJ back. We can take GJ sells after a top wick. What do you think of ICT strategy? I don't know. I mean, no comment. No comment, my brother. Oh man, I think chat's me on one today. For some reason, man, days when we have news and you know a lot of new people here. Zombie's called scalper. You can say so. Adjust point resistance. We have a video. Experts point SNR. Yeah, GJ closed their bearish right at support, or you can say it closed below. Let's see. It's kind of tougher, but you can say it closed below, like over on terms of ranges. It closed below its range here, right? So ideally, like this wick, I would expect it to get filled. But as for positions, it's kind of tough to get positions here. If I want positions, I probably would need a steeper wick, and then you can take price coming down towards like 161,990 here, but you're gonna need a top wick first. And looking left for top wicks, it can be anywhere. It can be minor resistance over here, minor resistance over here, minor resistance up here. So any of these zones could get tapped for top wicks, but minimum I need something up here first for us to get tapped before we have any positions on GJ cells coming down, all right? But yeah, no positions on GJ. Gold, as for gold, I mean this trades here based off of the hourly candle, and I mean the hourly candle here in this case is technically still valid. It's gonna be the rebreak of the highs. If it comes down to like 740, which is nearing the last 15-minute candle of the hourly candle, I will probably delete the buy stops if you don't get activated by then, and then wait for the 8 AM candle closure in 30 minutes. All right. Already.
Yeah, Bailey speaking right now, so.
Yeah, for the aftermath of the thing. Yeah, you have the USD news today though, so we're good on that. Oh no, you do. You have unemployment claims. I'm wrong. Yeah, 8:30. Damn, I missed that today. News tour for news? No, we all news here. It's all here. Unexpected news. It's all here. Because these links come from Twitter anyways, right? So like I don't got a source on Twitter where I can just come here and have all the sources on this page alone, right? If you go on like Forex Factor, then you go on news. This way you got all the sources. A lot of these links and autographs are from like different pages there. See, like YouTube, Bank of England, Bloomberg, some say Twitter, right? Sometimes. So blogs, different blogs, right? CBC, you have everything here. Did I give you guys my boss on Blueberry yet? 1783.61. Yeah, it's the same one. Yeah, I give you guys that. Also, I don't really go into it often, to be honest. But even so, like with yeah, you saying like taking time to add it, like typically the markets would react to price button anyways. Like by the time AGGRO comes out, like the market already reacted to whatever happened, right? So it's like you can't really trade unexpected news, to be honest. It's kind of, you can't predict that stuff. Next minute, something can happen like right now as we speak. Like it's kind of hard to trade. But what you do know is that technical analysis shows, you know, majority of price. So if something were to happen, you'll see on technical, from the technical aspect of it first. That's our price right here on my screen. 83.61. Hey, I don't know who said GG buys, but yeah. I catch a fall knife, my friend. Oh, I had coffee. I forgot. Dropping ADP numbers. When was that? Wasn't that like 2 days ago, or like Monday, right? No, that's ISM. When did you have ADP? Unless I'm missing it. ISM Wednesday as well. Tomorrow you have tomorrow's NFP, right? Yeah, tomorrow's NFP. Big day tomorrow. Big day on pound today, and then tomorrow's a big day on gold. Let's COMEX open. COMEX open. The commodity exchange open. What's a commodity, Don? You're trading it right now. What's that? Gold. Gold's a commodity. So commodity exchange opens up at 820. Right? So when 820 opens up, typically you'll see volume. Speaking about that, yo, we have working in progress right now. We have a back testing journal that we're creating. So we have journals already, like we have like regular journals, right, that you guys can part copy. But we're gonna have a back testing journal that everyone can have access to again, and you can probably like use it to back test whatever you want to back test. Like right now, I have a journal for the COMEX open every day. You guys could literally add anything to it. You can back test the ADM candle, you can back test whatever plays, right? But that's, I mean, Badger's working on it right now, so you guys probably have that. I mean, sometime this week maybe. I don't want to rush Badger, but sometime this week. Nice. 1 hour closure below his range isn't bad at all. Wouldn't be too bad. Looking left there, it looks like price is gonna mirror this whole range coming down towards here. 70, 161, 574 probably. You're looking left there. So it's really nowhere to go but down here. Just waiting for positions here, right? Switch point journal horticulture FX. Option trade, no, because it's kind of like two separate things. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't really make sense. Well, obviously, like if you want it, it makes sense to you, but like it doesn't really make sense overall. What the hell is this camera angle, Marcos? Wait, what? I'm confused as shit. Are you home? No, right?
What's up?
Where you at?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you're not home, right?
No, I'm not.
Makes sense.
Hold on, I gotta switch to my AirPods.
Marcos live straight from heaven, bro. For real, yo. This guy got the best camera angle right now. Marcos training naked? Yeah, he's Uncle Ted sauce. Yeah, he is.
Why do I have a blur on?
Problem to your microphone.
What's wrong with it?
Are these your AirPods?
Yeah, it's my AirPods.
Are you standing?
No.
Bro, this guy.
What do you mean?
This guy's camera's on a shelf right now. He's like, yo, what up?
Standing.
He's on a shelf.
Oh, you're not stand today? Some lazy bones today. I'll stand in a bit. Yo, you nice over leverage buys yesterday, Marcos. Nice full march. I'm trying.
No risk management. It was good though. It was I'm surprised it hit TP without. It had no top wick on that 1 hour, and then it just drove anyway. I was like, it had no top wick on the previous 1 hour, no bottom wick on the new 1 hour. Drove up for like 15 pips, so I took the 40 pip TP, and then it just kept driving. But I'll take it. Good signal. You didn't survive, right?
Nope. I don't know. I guess I even waited for the. It's funny because I even waited for the bottom wick on a new 1 hour candle at 9 a.m. too. I'm like, hey, this 9 a.m. candle's on pull back. I had no top wick, right? The new forward candle. Oh, chat. I'm sorry. Chat, I'm gonna delete buy stops here. Sorry, it's 7:40. So I said earlier I was gonna delete buy stops here. So I'm gonna delete buy stops here and wait for the hourly candle closer instead. All right. Sorry, I meant to say that earlier because I did say earlier that I was gonna delete them at 7:40 if we don't get activated. So deleting buy stops there just before you break the highs. Already? You didn't break the highs yet too, so I mean no one should be activated. Because if you got activated here, you would have activated earlier on this wick here. And if you activate, I mean you can leave it. It's up to you. Like I don't want to be in here the last like 4 to 15 of the hourly candle. So I'm gonna wait out and wait for the hourly candle to close instead.
Not gonna lie, last night I was busy while you sent stops to break even, and I opened it like 15 minutes later. And we were in profit.
Yeah. So basically, what happened was like I was waiting for the bottom wick, and then it flipped. I'm like, okay, cool, we should be good now. So now we start to break even. And then it rebroke the lows again by a pip, and then just tough.
All right, W signal. Daily looks amazing.
Yeah, daily was clean. Yeah, off the daily. Chat, for those that couldn't delete in time because you guys, maybe maybe a little slower on the technology, it's fine. If you guys want, just close here at break even, close here at 1 pip in profit. It's like, don't be like, but I already got activated, so I should leave it. Like, if you want to leave it, leave it. I mean, it's up to you, whatever you want to do, right? But I delete buy stops. I'm not in. Can price will drive up? Yeah, it definitely can. Like if it wasn't for the last 15 of the alley counter here, like I would probably expect it to drive up here towards like 17.5. That's what you're expecting here, right? But I don't want to be in the last 15, so I'm gonna wait for this 8 a.m. candle to close, and then 8 a.m. if you get a closure above 85, that'd be great. 8 a.m. we can get more buys going up. Look at all this traffic though today, AGGRO day.
You have I'm late. Did you have a daily target at like 1790-ish?
No, it's half. Like the TPS still is a day target.
Oh, okay.
But next target is like, I mean, what do you have? I have 96 or 96, not 1805 ish.
Yeah, it's a lot of minor. I feel like it's just like maybe some like lower time, maybe the 4 hour. That's 1790 and then 1790. What is this? 1796. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we could go higher. We just have NFP tomorrow, so.
Yeah. Like look left, like price could mirror. I mean, every time I bounce off of this level here, it kind of, you can just say it could mirror this, mirror any of these moves here. So like, yeah, NFP could be crazy tomorrow. Yeah, minimum 1805.
How did interest rates go?
Oh, it went good. I mean, as expected. They raised rates, so I mean, obviously, pound went down after. Yeah, it was a 0.75, 0.50 increase. And then you have people in chat that was just like screaming, "Yo, like, take buys now. Like, it's gonna reverse." I'm like,
yeah, right.
I don't know, man. 75 pips in drawdown? I don't know about that, my friend.
Cowboy.
I think it's drawn though. No stop loss, gang? Alright.
I'm still in buys. I was being serious. Rip. Stop laughing. You're gonna get mad at me again.
Yeah, comments gonna be very interesting today.
I have a theory, if you care to hear.
Go ahead.
My vision for today would be this 1 hour closes as is. This current 15 comes down, makes a bottom wick for the previous 15. Closes either weak bullish, doji, or weak bearish, something along those lines. Next 1 hour still closes bullish, and then we come down, break the lows at 8 a.m., break those 1 hour lows, and then flip bullish.
Tap
And
like 778, right?
exactly. Tap like 1780, 1779, 1778. We'll flip bullish, 30, 40 pip stop. And we have a lot of water.
Yeah, because it needs to grab water here. It's literally like,
look at the 1 hour. Look how many green candles in a row we've had pre-Comex.
yeah,
So need some water.
something like this.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, even if it's just like a shoddy bottom wick, spike down 815.
Yeah, chat. I was open to sells on this 3-minute candle here. Like we mentioned it kind of earlier, but I mean, there was no top wick for me to have a stop loss. Like it just gave me down a stop loss. It was a perfect closure. It was just stops. That was the issue because you can't have a whatever this was 100 and whatever pip stop, right? For sells, so it had to be a current kind of high, and we didn't really make a top wick for a current kind of high for stops, so there was no positions for me. Yeah, I don't know. Marcus locked in today because he's not home today. And usually he's not. Whenever he's not home, he doesn't come on the Zoom. It's locked for AGGRO day. You coming home today or you just?
I missed you. No, I'm going back home later today. I just wanted to do a remote session.
Hey,
I found
man.
my laptop charger.
I'm just trying to play Apex with you, man. When are you gonna come home? Like
I'll play Apex tonight. Actually.
tonight? I can't tonight.
Actually. No, sick.
I'm playing after stream to like 4, but you got dip after.
I'm going to the pool today.
Nice.
What is Comex? I got you. I'll put the link in the chat.
Wait, you sent a link to Google Doc. Oh. Comics. So you're having fucking amazing discipline. It's something that I really admire. Thank you. Yeah. Like this trade here, chat, like even though I deleted buy stops, like it doesn't mean that it can't go up, right? Like And also it doesn't mean that like if it were to go up, I'm not gonna go back and say, ah fuck, I should have held it, right? Because like we expected it to drive up. It's just probably went down a little bit with the last 15 of the hourly candle. It went from like a maybe 85% chance of going up on the range to like maybe a 65, 60. And that's not enough for me, right? But it was clean, like technical perspective, clean. Like earlier, we wanted positions off of this candle flip. We couldn't really have that. So I had to read a regular highs, but yeah, we ain't in. Hey, GJ 1 hour wick fill would be great. If you can pull back to like 162.354, perfect. 8 AM candle should do something like this if that were to be the case. Big clean wick fill on 1 hour. It's gonna be one of those days where GJ might be cleaner in gold, guys. It's your day. What did thing post? I'm scared. What is this? I saw Mark was on it.
It's the bug.
It was at this moment that he knew. Fucked up.
What the fuck?
Wait, get out of here.
Yeah. Bro.
Now that's the classic memes.
That was our first and last appearance on stream.
Funny. Said I'm at minus 800 pips. Huh?
Yeah, when I was on place to buy stuff, so when we place to buy stuff, the whole chat was like, "It's over, so it's overbought. It's overbought. Gold's overbought."
If I knew that, I would have bought. I didn't get the chat indicator.
But wasn't it overbought like down at 712 and 743?
It was bought at 1300. Overbought at RSI.
Don't worry, Adam Paul. You'll see buys going up, but then you'll see a wick fill coming down. I don't know where your entry is, but if you get a wick fill, I guess it's a win-win for both of us. You'll get your buys, I'll get my sells. Yeah, more cells below here. This would be even cleaner because below here, look at the traffic to the left. What do you guys see? I don't know about you guys, but I see nothing but once like 16400 if you break below here today. To the left hand side is all clean traffic, right? Meme on Discord. Bro, look what Broly made. What is this? Yeah, chat, who you guys got? Me or Marcos? How much you weigh, Marcos?
I actually lost a lot of weight. I'm at 169.
It goes by weight,
this
right?
morning.
Not by like it's just purely weight, right? Like it doesn't matter how tall or whatever. It's just pure weight.
It's weight. I'm 169. What about you?
I'm 155. Not bad. I can definitely gain weight easily if I actually try like 6 meals a day.
I can get down to one. I can get on to 160 if you do. If you get up to 160.
Yeah, 160, 165, 162. Doable. I know it's harder to lose than gain, right? So.
Someone said you're better than me at Apex. Yo, stop the cap. Press the button. Press the button.
Sorry, it doesn't work when it only works when it's actually capped.
Oh my god.
It's an automatic sound.
Oh my god. Stop the cap. Height and weight both cap. Facts. He's not 150. He's like 5'4", 170.
Hey man, when we go to Vancouver, the first thing to do is take a picture and post it in the chat.
We're gonna take a nice depth perception picture where we look the same height.
Lock in. Oh yeah. Hey,
What?
I don't know about the buys, but
Yo, bye. It's gonna go up eventually. I swear.
hey, I mean, what goes down must come up. What goes up must come down. I guess, man. That's what you're gonna live by today.
Just remember, if you lost half your account, you can make it all back in one trade. Risk the other half.
You know, guys. Number one tip I learned in 2020 was don't be a hero. Just focus on coming in second place. It's okay. It's okay to let the markets defeat you, but at least come in second. Don't come in third. Don't come in fourth. Come in second. Heard that from Ted. Let the markets come in first. What's the win rate for 2022? On stream? On stream trades this year? Right here. At the bottom right, yearly record right there. 82%. 81.90, but basically 82. 19 losses. Simp playlist? Yeah, I chose a round playlist. This is a Loverboy playlist. This is a COB playlist.
What's Gold's win rate on signals? 87.
Went down a little bit. 86.
Oh, because yesterday didn't technically count, right?
Yeah, I didn't count my trade. No, it was break even for me. I gotta put that, by the way. That's what reminded me. I could have easily counted it because I think majority chap. I mean, it doesn't make sense to me too. Oh, is it buys? Yeah. I didn't close half too.
I close above on gold.
Yep. Yeah. Good. If it closes above, then different perspective for comics maybe.
Yeah, I don't like it.
If it closes below, then I agree with your perspective. If I close above, I think I don't know. Let's see. Could still break the lows. Yeah, Paul, how's your story doing today?
So it's looking good.
It's 30. Oh yeah, it is looking good. Daily is so ugly.
Yeah.
4 hours so ugly. 1 hour is decent. Little range, but yeah, if I was in the trade chat at this point, this is when you go break even probably. And I mean, I think the initial TV was like 87 for those that left it. I'm not in, but this is part of your break even point minimum, like minimum step here, break even.
Unemployment claims 830.
Yeah. If you can close above her, you have 2 minutes left, right? You close above her, chat. How big are stops in the 1 hour candle? Oh, that's 50. Never mind. It's not. Yeah, probably want a current candle stop, but you create a low 8 a.m. I see price continuation drive up. Let's look left on the hourly candle real quick though. Yeah, I mean overall you're looking at 17,892 here minimum next target if you break above. Amount of resistance there, and then after that is 1796. Not bad. Ain't bad, guys. Yeah. 892, I'll say like 92 on a dot. Your next target. All right, guys, lock it in. Lock it in. Potential positions here. Again. But Don, it's overbought. Yeah, you need a bottom wick here, so I'm gonna wait for a bottom wick first. And since we are, I'm gonna use current count stops, or since previous count stops are kind of wide here, because I can't. I mean, you can have, but I don't want to have a 58 pip stop. If you can come down, create a bottom wick at like 17. I think the thing here is that it might not be steep. But if you can come down to like 83, that'd be great. 83, 300, 84 levels, we'll have a buy stop on the flip. All right, because you got a closure above here.
Good actually. Come down, make a nice bottom wick, and then re-break the highs.
Yeah. No bottom wick for me, no entries, guys. Unfortunately. And if you're gonna enter here, you don't want to be this guy later. I gotta save this. You don't want to be this guy, right? Wait for a top bottom wick or a draw 25. You don't want to be this guy here. Not worry about the last hour of the 4 hour. We never worry about the last hour of the 4 hour candle. We usually worry about the last 15 of the hour candle. 8:30 is fine because you have New York open. But no, I'm not too concerned about the last hour. I think it's tap target or A7 was TP. Honestly, chat, if I were you guys, like if you got in that trade earlier, you can probably close like 75% here and then let a runner go towards like 90, 96. So at least with the runner, you might even make more on that runner than your initial position closure. If you had entries on the break of the highs earlier, close like 75% or 50, whatever it is. But that's probably what I would do if I was in it.
You saw Nelk got Elon Musk on their podcast.
Yeah, yeah. Is it? Did it come out yet?
No, I think it's getting released either today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I saw a picture on Twitter
Yeah.
right after the Andrew Tate one.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
So, yeah.
8:30 tonight.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Damn, I guess I'm staying up late. And I'm watching the Arsenal documentary. Got one more episode. You watch Game of Thrones, Done? Or no?
I watched the last episode of the last season. The
What does
last
that mean?
scene.
What does that mean? Did you
I-
watch it or not?
It means I know the ending. I never watched anything else but that part because my bro just put it on TV. I'm like,
Well, it's still worth it to watch. But anyway, the prequel is coming out next week, I think, or a couple weeks.
I'm
I
not
know
gonna
everyone in
lie.
chat knows.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't think me personally. I have the brain cells to watch Game of Thrones from season 1 to season 9.
You're
It's a
degenerate.
slow burn, right? Like, I don't know.
But it's like a pleasantly slow burn. You gotta like fiction. If you like fiction, it's
I
really
can't
good.
watch shows in general though, or movies. Like, I can't sit there for some reason and just watch. I could if I really like the movie, but I'm not a movie guy or show guy.
I can't respect it, unfortunately, but I respect it, I guess.
I'd rather just play Apex for 8 hours or something. I can do that, but I can't play. I can't sit there and do nothing. I have to move or do something.
On Prime Video, Fluxes. I don't know how to say that. Ooh, epa. I just broke monthly highs.
Oh, monthly highs. Oof. But Don, it's overbought. It's overbought. You can't take a buy here. It's my indicator literally says it's overbought, man. If you guys are runners, great. You guys are in good positions, good hands at least. Because if you entries down here, for it to come down now, it's got to re-rate the current count low. So you can move your stops in profit if you guys want. But I mean, managers, however you want to manage risk, right? Went to the back from due to my bad styles. No, yeah, it was still valid. Like even if you were there though, like I mean, it was still valid. Like, it wasn't. It was just the only issue was just the last 20 of the arrow candle. I'm not sure about it, if I would have hit break even though. Like I'm not sure what happened there. I don't think it did, right? I think it just broke the highs. Because I don't think I hit the break even point until ADM, and then ADM it just drove.
I think if you were aggressive, you would have hit break even, but if you just let it rock, it would have been good. I know it was like 10 or 5 to 10 pips for a while. A15 is not even bad.
No. Oh yeah, that comic's open too. I'm in pulling cans. What are they expecting? Today and tomorrow. Bad numbers. All right, gold. Do your thing.
We could just be inversing those bank rates too, and just steady drive.
Which bank rates? Oh, from last week.
GBP. No, the GBP has just happened.
Oh. Yeah, anything in London? No, I wasn't up. I wanted runners for Asian, but I got stopped at BE. My target was like 7-2, I think, last night. Paul and Marcus both caught it though. Patient, just being patient here, chat. Again, it's just another day, right? Let's say you got no trades today. Well, I'll go push 1,000 pips. Okay. If you ain't got your subs, you ain't got your subs. You can't force. You can't say, well, I missed the whole move today, because if there wasn't any of your subs, or if you weren't trading at whatever time, then you can't go back and say I should have done this, should have done that, right? Or I could have done this, I could have done that. What would you guys rather do? Take a trade impulsively because you feel like you're missing out, or wait for your setup? Take a trade that you've been, you know, studying for a long time, that you're more comfortable with. Because if you take a trade that you're not comfortable with because you just feel impulse, then you take a loss, feel like shit after, right? Whereas you take a loss with your setup, you don't feel like shit because you know you can repeat the same trade again the next day, or eventually you will. Like right here on gold, you know, some of you guys, we couldn't get interest here just yet, and you may be feeling some of FOMO right now, which is fine, but I'd rather wait to see what I want than getting here and see what I want happen later and be like, fuck, I should have waited for this. Yeah, cool. Runner's nice.
Look at the 15-minute right now on gold. Pretty clean. I have 15 resistance at 1791. Looking left.
Oh, the 15-minute resistance. Oh man, looking left. Oh, right.
Clean traffic to 1791.
Yeah, nowhere else to go. 4-pit range. You missed the run to the track star? Well, you guys will get it today, don't worry.
I still want a bottom wick, not gonna lie.
Hey, who's still in GJ buys? It's a bottom break the 4 hour lows, 1 hour lows there.
I just open up a new account.
I mean,
take more buys.
the good thing about your buys is, I mean, at least the 1 hour close right at support, but there's, you know, if a day breaks the lows, then man. Six months? We've had runners on stream. 6 months? Like off stream we have, or off stream in the single channel we have Asian session runners, right? That's usually where runners come from, Asian session, because that's the start of a day off a daily candle. But even on stream, like we had runners on stream. Like we had runners, a small runner in July, nothing too crazy in July, but we had runners in June on stream, 80 pips. May, no runners. April, 100 runners, 120 pip runners. That was the biggest runner I think on stream. 85 pip runners. Like March, all runners. Like 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you should be able to get some runners. I mean, they don't come often, but when they do come, a day today is when you usually get runners. AGGRO does. I'm on mute. Yeah, you have comics open here, chat. In about 7 minutes here, so it comes down to how the 15 closes. I think in this case, 15 has no bottom wick, right? So I probably would expect this 15 to close bullish in a minute and a half. And then comics, what you might see since you're closing above the range on this 15 is you may see it come down to like 7, make a low first. So it may break 15 lows. You may see 84 or 84, 83, and then the rebreak of the highs on this candle is probably gonna be your buy stop if I were to have one next year. That's what I'd do for comics. But you want to see you break the lows first. It's not bad. I mean, if you get that, I may even enter positions. Let's see. But I want to see you break the lows first. It's your stop loss is probably gonna be minimum here of like 40, 30 pips here. Let's see. This 15's on close here on GJ below the range. Day break the lows? Oh, almost. We're a pip away. If we can break the day of lows, you might see another push on GJ here, chat. The lows are broken at 161, 182.
I guess we're gonna drive with no bottom wick early and then come back. That's what it looks like right now.
Yeah. Like, chat, this should be the comics candle. The only thing I'm concerned about is maybe unemployment claims at 8:30. But ideally, like, you're maybe not like 96, but you're probably expecting to tap like 92 minimum. But you probably want this first. So if we get this, we'll have a buy stop on the break it has. Current count stops. If it drives now, then I'm in tough.
DID.
Yeah. Oh, day broke lows on GJ. Hey, GJ buys on one?
I buy stops.
Adam has left the chat.
Ooh. Cool. Do stuff.
Volume.
Ugh.
Other reasons to deal with them? Just avoid them. If you don't have experience in news, just avoid them. You don't have to trade it. Like, you don't have to have buys and sell stops, right? Man, that's clean on daily. Daily has nowhere to go today. Like, look at the daily. It broke that wick to the left. Look at this. 1800, 1803. Just a matter of, this comes down if you get positions here.
I guess that's like the weekly highs, about to break again. What was do you remember your month, if you had like a monthly target?
Pardon?
Do you remember at the beginning of the month if you had like a monthly breakdown?
Yeah, I'm bearish for the month.
Bearish.
Yeah, until it breaks 1817.
The waves off.
I thought this daily by closing bearish would make the weekly come down as well, but I guess I had no bottom wick there on the daily. The bearish one. Yeah, by the way, this 15 breaks the lows, going a higher time frame, it's a 1 hour lower wick as well, right? So it's the same position we'll have like earlier on, just at 8 AM this time. Comics in 3 minutes, 2.5. There's always a catalyst, Michael. No moves are normal. There's always gonna be a catalyst for everything.
I was gonna say the same thing. It's normal. Because there's always a catalyst every time there's a move.
Like, when was the last time gold moved this much? The week of July 4th. What happened that week? Which was
Look
the
at all of
catalyst.
those weekly. Look at all of the weekly candles. Plenty of drives. There's always something in the economy. There's every move. All the banks need an excuse to move the price, right? If you focus on your eyes, you don't got to worry about the catalyst. I'm gonna be opposite of a bank trader. Banks do what they're gonna do. I'm just gonna wait for closures. Closure above, closure below. So easy. You're gonna get copyrighted for this?
I always get copyrighted. I won't get blocked though, right? Because I demonetize my streams now. Well, majority of my streams.
My head was bopping a little too much. I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, as long as I pay the price. I won't make my $30 on YouTube today, chat. Darn it.
Dang, someone donate.
Remember Paul doing it for us for like a good year? We played all that copyright-free music. How much did Paul donate to us in overall?
It doesn't tell you.
We need a counter.
It doesn't count. Like, it counts overall, but
I gotta go through my bank statement. I know, like, one point I donated like $100 like a day for like
200. I think 200 a day. At one point I saw. I'd be tripping
All
though.
right, new idea. We make it possible to donate straight from your MT5 account to the stream.
Imagine.
You send a percentage of your trade. You could send tips as donations from MT5, and it goes directly into Don's MT5. And he'll have a challenge MT5 of all donation money. And then we try to grow it, and then we donate all the money to raising awareness for MM.
MM.
Pray for Reza. The Pray for Reza Foundation.
All right, comics open. Do we make a bottom wick for the 15? Can we break the lows here? And then break the highs, tap buy stops, or will we not get positions? Or we wait for unemployment claims at 8:30, or wait for the 4 count closure if we get no positions for 8:30, and then wait for the 15 count close on 9:15. For a wick fill? Didn't. All right, anytime here. You're almost there. Just break the lows.
You're almost there.
Maybe 4 pips.
The timing feels off. We might just wait for unemployment claims.
Yeah, it looks like 9 a.m. for me.
This is supposed to happen at like 8:15.
GJ?
Nope.
Yeah. You have news. Like it's honestly looking at 9 a.m. here, chat. I'm honestly looking at 9 a.m. here.
You don't like 8:30 if we make a bottom wick then close bullish?
I do. But it's very rare. Like 8:30. I mean, if there's no news 8:30, yeah, or if there's no like volatility from that news. Yeah, I mean, break the highs after bottom wick. Yeah. Might move too fast. But if it's not 8:30, chat, it's gonna be 9:15, 9:30. GBP USD. I'll look at it later. I'm too locked into gold and GJ. Yeah, break the lows to the yeah. So I'm anticipating comics open to did it break the lows? No, it didn't. I'm expecting it to break the lows here to give us a 1 hour bottom wick and then re-break the highs, and that re-break the highs would be our buy stop.
I think it broke the lows on TD. No, it didn't. Not on TD. Actually, TD had a bottom wick on the previous, but
I mean, you can consider that a breakout lows.
I would consider that a bottom wick just because it came all the way down.
Yeah. Three friends. Did it break the lows on Blueberry? Let me check.
Water slide.
I'm just kind of it today. I mean, it's still valid, but not really anything during the 820 open. There goes. Oh, there's a background. I did not see that background.
Water was grabs. We're going back for round 2. More water. Second bucket. Round trip to the pond. This playlist is naughty.
Oh, this song gotta play a little quieter though, cause the song gets, for some reason, this album, the More Life album by Drake, gets blocked a lot.
Yo, pray for Adam.
Adam left the chat, man.
His broker left him.
His broker sent him a bank statement, an invoice.
Just chat. It's not like we want Am to lose. It's just he was just screaming buys at us all morning. Like, it's fine if you have a different opinion, but like, don't scream like buys. Like, take buys now. Like, what are you doing? Like, buy now when you know market's heavily bearish.
Could get 8:30 seller play. 15-minute seller play.
Yeah. 8:30 close, no bottom wick. We're at that support. Right at 17.85. Where are currents? I mean, they're expecting good numbers, bad numbers for $1 too. So man, these streams will go by so quick now. It needs to go by so slow, but we're already an hour and a half in. It's 8. It's almost 9. Nice. Yeah, we get the start play. Just realized, yeah. No bottom wick would be lovely, but
There's the bottom wick.
that's good. Yeah. 15 broke lows now officially. So I mean, looking left, it can go all the way down to 83 for all we know. 82, 84. It can go anywhere looking left, right? Because that's the most recent support to the left, right? It's not about like how many pips it is. It's more so about like what levels are we tapping. Next minor support's like right here in these levels. So anywhere here, but you would want the 30 close bearish respecting the support though. That's what I want. See, 2 minutes left. If it does close above, we'll have a buy stop. If it doesn't, then we may just chalk it, or you can enter off the 1 hour still. I think 1 hour buys aren't bad. Stops get a little wider here though. I mean, 36 pips here minimum.
You get like a nice 30-minute close. You can enter on the flip. You know, like nicer stops.
Yes. Yeah, see the support to the left here, chat, at this right here, 17.85. Anything above their closure would be perfect for a 30 start play. Someone asked about 1792 earlier. 1792 91500 is off the 15-minute time frame. Minor support there on the 15, just minor. So at that level, let's take one of your advantage points. You can probably just close our move stops break even, and then leave runners towards that daily target at 96 today. What's your prediction on gold? 630, no, 640 breakdown. Earlier on, at the bottom right. Go back a little bit. The first 10 minutes of the stream. Yeah, Dice, how come you always ask questions with a bunch of emojis? What's good numbers and bad numbers? Just numbers on how news comes out. Bay Pips 101, you know? You might gotta go back and review some of the topics on Bay Pips. That's very key and important. That's something you definitely gotta know before you get into trading any live money, right? Or it's closing below. Oh no, right, I have support on the 30 right here. That's where I had it earlier. Yeah, so you have news here, chat. I'm gonna give it like a minute or two. But overall, like technically with the 1 hour break of the highs, this thing should likely drive up. Let's see how the numbers come up for news. The numbers come out bad, we'll have buy subs or lock it in here, chat. I won't place buy stops yet. I'm gonna wait to see if this is the bottom wick we're gonna have, because if it's not, then we're kind of chalked. I gotta delete them right after. If it breaks the lows, I'm just gonna wait for 9 AM, because then stops would be like 45 plus, I believe. Yeah, there you go. Broke the lows, so no buy stops. Yes, waiting for a 9 AM kind of here then. But it's good because you have a wick fill. Ain't too bad. Let's see. Yeah. Sells on GJ. Third close. The third close below. My chart's froze on GJ. Hold on. Why did it freeze? TradingView froze? Is this me? Oh my gosh.
Everyone's froze.
It doesn't want us to trade GJ.
Gold's fine.
Yeah. They're like, no, did GJ close below the range? I didn't see. Oh wow, it did close below the range. Come on, GJ, load up.
Manipulation.
All right, let's see. Yeah, GJ closed below the supports. Where did I have my support earlier? Give me a second. No, it didn't. I lied. I didn't. I thought I did on 5. No, it didn't. It closed right at the support. Right at it. How big are first stops? Yeah, closed right at it. On I thought I closed below on that on the 5. I lied. I took it back. There's a support right here to the left, chat, at like 17 or 161,292. Close like right at that support. I wanted a closure below there for sells to be valid. Which doesn't mean sells aren't valid. It can still drive down. It could definitely still drive, but in order for me to take positions there, I need a closure below. So at this point, you're gonna wait for the 1 hour candle close on GJ as well, the 4 hour candle close, and then you can get position afterwards, right? How big are golds now? 4 pips on the flip. The break of the highs is like 62. Yeah, that's massive stops. You frozen too, Paul?
No.
Really?
Oh yeah, mine's fine.
Camera's zoomed in. It's a market maker. Real, Mr. John Cena back at it again. That's the thing about gold. It's definitely still valid off of the 1 hour break it has. It's just stops are wide. That's the only issue. And I don't really see myself entering anywhere else. Like the break of the highs on 30, like you have a smart stop, but I want to see it break the previous 1 hour high because it's a 1 hour trade, right? It's not really based off of 30. 30 is like a confirmation. The confirmation on 30 is that it's respecting that support. Overall, the 1 hour, that's the original entry with the closure above. Now, if you didn't have a top wick first, I would 100% have a buy stop, but that's not the case here. Is Don GJ? No, I'm not. I have no positions today. I have positions during Asian. That's about it. The gold buys. Yeah, NYC would be interesting though, because we're gonna pull back for NYC, right? If that's the case, might even break. Like I mean, 4 hour looks kind of ugly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Kind of tough, but. This is a start of some type of retracement, some type of support form here for gold. That'd be great. Is gold still on a strong buy? Are you in a gold buy? Is that why? Yeah, it's definitely still a bullish trade day. It's just there's no positions right now. There's nothing you can really take here. There's no confirmation for buys or whatsoever. Just that. Like at this point, you might see price even drive down to create support at like 17.8, 7.78. So what can happen here is, I mean, if you get something like this, that'll be cool. You come down like this, right? This will leave you the wick foot for the 4 hour candle. Or something like this. Oops. Right, and then let's say the 4 hour candle closes like right above 1778. That'll be a 4 hour wick fill, and then you have a bullish candle closure on gold on like the 1530 for 930, and then NYC should continue to drive price back up to retest the highs. Like, this is kind of what you're looking at right now. Sells me today though would be I wouldn't mind taking sells below, honestly, like even if you get a range 2 below 1778 today wouldn't be too bad. It'll be to break it up 4 lows or below 1775, because if you break that low today on a 4 count, you may see price drop down to like 1769, 1764, right? But no positions still then. Not my position, Rel. Not my position. It's not part of my playbook. Not part of my plan. Where's Wix today? Zero spreads on gold MM. What was overbought?
I guess we'll never know.
John, where's your
GJ 4 hour
Bloomberg
though.
terminal?
Bloomberg. Ooh, Bloomberg. Yeah, I don't have a Bloomberg terminal.
Imagine you pay $25,000 for a
It's-
Bloomberg terminal.
It's 20, 30K, yeah.
All that to have buy stops and sell stops.
The closure above the range.
I got FOREX Factory. We don't need Bloomberg.
Just create a story for yourself. Using tentacles in the news. What's driving price? Right? What news is driving price? Okay, 'cause if this is gonna drive price, how can that line up with tentacles? What will make price drive up with tentacles here? What's it looking like on a higher time frame? What's it looking like on a smaller time frame? I know like 1 or 2 people that have Bloomberg terminals. I mean, it's not a bad cop. Not a bad idea.
Does that have a Bloomberg terminal?
I think he discussed that one on a stream. I don't know. I think. I don't know. I'm thinking he would, but. Was most important technical fundamentals? Why not both? Why not take advantage of both? Like today, GJ, we did a breakdown GJ today based off of tentacles, right? But I also mentioned how fundamentals will also play with it. So like like if you're on an earlier stream today, we broke down GJ on the like when it was up here. I mentioned sells and GJ today. That's kind of what I wanted because the monthly time frame was still bearish. And at any given point, even though we're bullish yet today, we can flip bearish because the monthly channel is still bearish as long as you respect the highs. The weekly is bearish as well. You didn't break the highs. Create a top wick, tap most recent resistance. You can literally come down to fill the rest of the range at 158, right? So if you're expecting the weekly to flip, and we're on to the second last day of the weekly, and there's news today, what would you expect the pound to do today? With interest rates expecting to increase, to drive down. So that's how you kind of put the pieces together to make the story make sense. All right. Chapter 1 is the weekly. Chapter 2 is news today. Interest rates. Chapter 3 is good numbers. All 3 chapters equals one story, and that story is sales and GG today. Right? It's how you can take advantage of both sides. I will be honest though, fundamentals isn't my number one thing. My tentacles are a bit stronger than my fundamentals, but I still take account into both when I can. When I'm unsure, I don't speak about it. But when I'm sure, or when not I'm sure, but when it kind of makes more, like today for instance, like usually I wouldn't really say like, oh, I'm expecting this to happen on the news, but today it was kind of, I mean, everyone expected price to drive up today off of fundamentals for the pound at least to increase rates, right? The whole world knew that they were gonna increase rates. They're not gonna just last second not increase rates, right? And Tentacles is there. What support? 30 and 1 hour support right here. Right here at 161262. I want this forward count to retrace back because last 15 here it should retrace back. I want to see like 162051 and then we can have a sell stop after a top wick on the wick fill for 80 pips. Like that'd be great. Because you're already breaking into this range, alright? So like since you're breaking into this range now from here, basically here to here overall. As long as you're staying within the range, it doesn't matter if you come back for a wick fill, like you should come down and fill the rest of the range. And then if you break below here, then you're probably seeing like 159, 9500. But just wait for 9. Did I wait for 9 or play Apex? That's it. You haven't played Apex, Marco, since that one night? How the hell did you get 8 wins that one night? Who carried?
We were smacking. Who carried, bro? What do you mean who carried? Maybe I'm just good.
I'm not saying you're not good.
Listen, man.
I said who carried you? You could have said you carried. I would have believed that.
There was no carry. That's the thing. It was a hardcore team effort. Me and my boy Eric just clapped. We had a race.
Was that your boy?
Yeah, that's my. You played with him before.
I don't remember.
We went from gold to plat in one night. It was insane.
Oh yeah, the first day I remember. Yeah, first time I played Apex. Yeah, yo, the first time I played Apex. Oh my god, I still have the clips from back then. I'm gonna save all the VODs because like we can go back and look at.
You were frustratingly bad.
Yeah, it was. No one knew I could touch plat.
My man was like too stubborn to play like conservative, so he would just sprint at the other team and die, bro.
Yeah, bro, I did not know how to play this game at all. Like, chat, practice makes perfect. All I knew what to do was just shoot the gun. Like, movement was chalk. Like, positioning was chalk. Like, I wasn't used to it. I played Warzone, right? So Warzone was like you can just 1v4 a squad, go in and do your shit. This game is like. You kind of gotta move together as a team, or you gotta play position wise. And yeah, bro, it's been I was chalked. But hey, we hit plat. Next season, hit diamond. Season after, let's see.
Yeah, right. There's too many games coming out this fall.
Yeah, I'm not playing. I don't really play.
I'll come back to Apex after the other games, but like, I gotta play Starfield, MW2, FIFA. I'm gonna play FIFA until my eyes bleed.
Only games I'm gonna play is probably Warzone, NHL, maybe 2K. But
you're not gonna play Starfield with me? Come on.
Yo, I'm stubborn when it comes to games. Like I'm stubborn against Apex, but
you didn't play Skyrim?
What? Star what?
Did you play Skyrim ever?
No, that game's I was like, how long is that game? 52 hours? 82 hours? Something like that?
It's not how long the game was. It's open world. You could play forever.
Is this a story mode game?
I had like 10,000 hours.
Yeah, I'm not playing this game. It's not my game. It's a story mode game, this game, right? Bro, Starfield?
Yo, chat. Yo, he clicked 3 frames, said...
No, I just know I can't play this game. This is not my game. I can tell off the rip.
He said click clack click clack. I can't play this game. I just can't play it.
That's not my game to play.
You make decisions too fast.
I've never played a story game in my life.
That's exactly. So you got to give it.
Because I can't.
How would you know?
I can't watch movies. I just don't have like the time to sit there and be like, I'm gonna finish the story.
Bro, if you've never played a story game in your life, how do you know you don't like it?
I played on like COD storylines, like my MW2, MW1, and Black Ops and shit. But
COD story is your only story game?
Yeah, never played Skyrim. Never played like I have ADD. I swear I can't sit down and just be like, yeah, I never even finished GTA 5's game, bro. I didn't finish it.
This guy said I played COD campaign and didn't like it, so I can't play any story games.
No, I like COD campaigns is whatever. But I was younger. Like when I was younger, like I can sit there and play, but it's hard now. Like I can't. I don't play. I haven't played a storyline game since then.
Bruh.
I
It's not
played
storyline
Spider-Man. What's it
game.
called?
You're missing that. You're missing the point. It's so different. A story game is different from an open world RPG game.
No,
So
I know.
different.
Story mode's just like it's just like chill, relax. Like you can just it's like a movie. You're watching a movie. You're playing it. That's what it is. But like I wanted to play Cyberpunk, but I'm like, bro, I don't have
heard that
time to
game
sit
was-
down.
That game's garbage.
I think storyline was decent. I don't know.
I think everyone hated Cyberpunk. It was supposed to be nasty, and then it was really bad.
No, I have time if I want to, but I just don't have the mindset to sit there. Like, it's weird. I can sit here wait for a
that's
count
why you
close.
stream. That's the best part about the stream is like you get to interact with people.
Nah, I can't do it. I just know I can't. I know my limits. I know I can't do that. I just know. Maybe if I get into it, but I can play. If I can't play GTA storyline, I definitely know I can't play thing. I can play RP though. GTA RP.
My brother in Christ. If you don't play GTA 6, you are gonna be by yourself in a corner. You're gonna see all the other kids having fun.
No, I'll play GTA 6.
I was about to say GTA 6 gonna be the biggest game for like a year on Twitch probably.
No, plus like I played GTA 5 when it came out.
You're right.
Cause then they didn't have RP and shit all that like years later.
Going to RP with me?
I play Skate. I can play that. He didn't have a storyline though. It was like a free world.
Yo, Chad, what role will Dom play in GTA 6 RP?
I'm gonna be the
FOREX scammer?
Nah, you don't gonna be, bro. I'm gonna be a cop.
What does that make
I'm
me?
gonna be an op.
You're gonna be the op?
You can be the partner in crime.
I'm gonna be a Lambo trader. I'm gonna try to sell signals on the streets.
My man said a stripper.
What? What the fuck?
5'5" cop. 5'5"? You're 5'4".
Dang, you short as hell.
Yeah, Don's 5'4", bro.
Wait, Don, you say you 5'4", 120?
What?
What?
I'm a wrong
5'4",
person.
Well, I think you said 5'4", 170. Oompa Loompa.
Hey, when we go to Vancouver, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on IG Live. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm like, yeah, I see this height difference. I'm tired of this.
I was gonna go IG Live, waiting for me to come out of the terminal from the airplane, just to prove the height right off rip.
But yeah, I'm getting there before you.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait for me. Get me some Shake Shack while we wait.
They don't have that in Canada, brother.
What?
Oh yeah, I can put you on some shit in Canada. Actually, it's Vancouver. It's like Vancouver and Toronto are way different, but they have similar shit.
I have to go through customs.
Oh
right?
yeah,
Is
yo,
there
I
customs in Canada?
gotta tell you to download a bunch of apps and shit. Yeah, you gotta do all that. It's a hassle for you.
Canada's so
Canada
whack.
customs, bro. Like, good luck. Don't bring
Yo,
anything too
Canada-
suspicious.
Canada's the op, bro.
Don't
Like,
even bring like a fucking
Yo, I'm gonna open a Blueberry account. Let's go.
Oh yeah, no, you can't. You have to be a resident. I
Yeah, I
think.
got your address. What you mean?
All right, doable.
Yo, the op is watching this. They're probably like, "You're what?"
There you go. Well, Blueberry account trade in America. Hey, I mean,
Oh, you need an ID?
yeah, you need ID to scan that. Yeah.
Passport?
You gotta, yeah, no, I think you need to be a resident, like a citizen, a
Blueberry.
citizen, a Canadian citizen.
Blueberry's cheap. This person is talking about multiple sources of income for like the last half hour.
Right? I thought I was
What's going on? Yeah, it keeps throwing me off.
Yeah, I'm just vibing out here.
Hey, the time flew. At 8:30 to 9 a.m.
Yeah, just because we just know you have nothing, and it's just like, fuck, what are we gonna do now? It's okay. 1 hour start play. Ooh.
Need one license.
You need a G1 and G2. Oh yeah. By the way, I think I'm getting my G2 this month.
My
I
license,
I signed up for my G2.
I can rent a car over there, right? With an American license.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, yo, you can't like just what you gotta know getting in Canada is you need to get this app called like Arrive Canada. I'll tell you all that shit after. Just for your information on passport and all that, the flight ticket, and then yeah, bro. Honestly, customs is a hassle. Like, good luck. Like, you bring a boom arm over from your mic, bro. They're gonna assume some shit else. Like, yo, it's Canada's actually annoying, but.
Wait, pull up Toro.com. I want to see how much a Tesla is in Vancouver.
And I don't know if you could Toro? Pardon? Oh, Toro.
Yeah.
Same price.
Turo? I don't know how to say it.
It's Turo.
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 Oh, Turo. There you go. Yes, Turo sushi. Oh yeah, we gotta schedule sushi.
Omakase. We'll find spots. What's it called? Toro?
Turo. With a U.
Oh. Turo.
Yeah. Type Tesla. Oh, right there. Click that. Model 3.
Yeah, it's like same price. I'm pretty sure it's all around. It's a day, right? Yeah, it's like 4 or 5 days.
How many days? That's 3 or 4 days. That's 4 days.
This is 1 day, no?
Says trip start August 6th, trip end August 9th.
Yeah, we'll figure stuff out. So I'll figure out the podcast office. That's easy though. Those things, like you can literally book it like prior.
What's wrong with a Tesla?
Why are we getting a Tesla again? Just for a video, right? I mean, it's wrong with Tesla. Yeah, what's wrong with Tesla? We're just cruising Vancouver. We need a car to get around. It's kind of like to get up north, and this is my second time going, so. All right, can you close already? 3 minutes can't go by any quicker, huh? And a forward kind of wick fill on GJ, nice. Hey, Amazon come back and chat tomorrow and GG goes back up. I told you so. God, hey. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, Chris. It's kind of the world we live in today. Reminds me of like the good old Call of Duty days when like before FaZe and all those guys, like they're all online, right? They all play online together through like just a random MW2 lobby. And then yeah, I had like growing up playing games, like I had a handful of people that I met and talked to this day through gaming, like for instance Loopy and shit too, right? Yeah. I'm pretty sure
during COVID, right?
Yeah, March 2020. Are you?
Damn.
Yeah, but like, I'm pretty sure everyone in chat has that one friend or had that one friend through online gaming, and you guys still probably connected today. It's crazy. Why do you gotta check? You just told me what happened, Salah. You told me what happened just now. You told me check the news, trying to fire missiles. All right, cool. Fire missiles, great. That's what happened. What did I do with that?
Hours ago. 4 hours ago, Taiwan says China fired ballistic missiles during its military exercise.
What's the DXY doing right now? It's going down probably, right? Why can't this load up? TV. There we go. That makes sense. Yeah, potential here, chat. A lot for GJ sells. You can get a 4 wick phone gold. Let me just check the 4 real quick. Let me just restart this chart. Because you have a resistance right here on the 4 candle. And then you have some type of support right here. This is a range we're in right now. Looking left. You close. Looks like above. Anywhere above here. This next 4 should continue to drop for the rest of the range. And then, let's see. Interesting. The only issue here is the 4 has no bottom wick. Like I would have loved it if we closed above the range in the 4, but it looks like it's gonna close in the range here. So, I mean, as for positions, the 4 wick fill wouldn't be too bad. Let me just go back to my charts real quick. I think you just need 30 minute no bottom wick, 1 hour no bottom wick. Woof. Oh wow. How big are stops in the 4 hour candle? I really want to see it break the lows first or create a steep wick. Worst case, we wait for buys above 1786 today. Worst case. I want to see us either close like bullish on a 1530 at the support, or to break the 4 lows and then reflip for buys. Man, that's a whenever you have a count that doesn't have, like, let's say first doesn't have a bottom wick, of course this count comes down first and creates a bottom wick first. Usually it would just come up, go up, and then come down, create a bottom wick afterwards. 1 hour has no bottom wick though. 1 hour no bottom wick, 30 minute no bottom wick. So technically it all makes sense. It's just the 4 count that's kind of it here. It closed above the most recent resistance to the left hand side here, to the left. So how big is the range going up? 60. Yeah. GJ 4 flip is clean too. I'm looking more so towards GJ here. It looks a bit cleaner on the 4 candle. Sadly, but how big are stops? The range going down here is around 50 pips. Okay, let's see. Stops right now at 22. You're tapping on most recent resistance as well. Let's see. 1530. 1 hour stops. Way too high. Yeah, the only logical stop you can have here is the 4 hour stop. Current kind of high. And the advantage point you have here to the left is around 19-20 pips here in this range. And over our TP is down at like 161, 262. Wow. What's going on in chat? People are arguing.
What is happening?
I don't know, man. I'm not the Montana, but I'm just trying to wait for a close. I'm just trying to wait for a top wick here on GJ. To be honest, that's about it. Wow. Yeah, I want to see. I mean, how big are stops here now? It rebroke the highs again, right? I really want to see 161, 162 ish. To the left here, like anywhere in this zone here. If it drives here, it drives. I don't have any sell stops yet, chat. I'll let you guys know exactly when I'll have it. But the whole idea behind this trade here is the 4 kind of wick fill, 4 kind of closure back into this range here. Ideally, since we're breaking back into this range from here to here, the range should get filled now. Or the rest of it should get filled, especially if price rejected the last 30 minutes of the 1 hour forward candle to leave a wick fill, right? Damn, gold flipping too. Didn't break the gold flipping. 1 hour no bottom wick. How big is the current candle low? 32. Close right at that support level as well to the left. Both look decent. Just comes down to stops. If it re-breaks the highs, well, I'll place a sell stop on GJ on the flip of the candle. Gold's clean too, but I mean, all the two right now, I think she's a bit cleaner, just because the 4 hour on GJ at least has the purest top wick, right? Gold doesn't really have that, which doesn't mean I can't drive. It's just we may see it come down, break the lows here. Let's see. Maybe they'll lock it in on GJ here. GJ sells, breakout, current higher low, or the flip off of the 4 hour time frame. Stops was decent too. Ooh, 5 close respecting this resistance. Chat, what's going on? What's wrong today? Why is everyone so heated up today? Just vibe out, you know? I play music for a reason today. I just knew chat would be like this today. You guys are my profits today. You guys doing good. You guys are fine. Don't worry about it.
The Royal Rumble.
That's what it feels like. Chat, watch you drop 200 pips. Yeah. If you get like a even a fake out here would be great too, because if this 3rd-minute count, because the 4 count is still bullish, right? If you get like a closure like on this 3rd-minute closure is below or 15 closes below, and then you get a closure back into the range, something like this, you get a range 1 fake out back into the range. I'll probably take that if that's the case. If you can break the lows first, that'll be amazing on the forward candle. But either way, a fake out back into the range here would be lovely for gold. GJ flip? Yeah, I did. I'm not in self stops here. I don't have any self stops. Worst case, we get a bearish 3rd-minute count closure in 5 or 15 bearish count closure in 5 minutes like this. You can probably take like a 15-minute entry instead. This would be fine. It'll be a 15-minute onion, 3rd-minute onion. Only concern is the first it's the first 15 of the forward candle, right? So I want to see this 15 close bearish to at least confirm some type of top wick for the forward candle, and then we can take positions afterwards. I explained it, Ken. I spent the last 9 minutes explaining why I was gonna wait for GJ steeper wick. Oh, it's onion? Off the playbook. Where is it? Right here.
You always have that pulled up on the side.
Yeah. I want people to download. It's a free download, right? So I just mentioned it so people can put free download. Yeah, stops weren't bad though on the flip. It was like 22 pips, which is pretty rare, especially on deck today. Where you at? Playbook, controlfx.com, free download.
Got you. Exclamation point playbook. Boom. I thought it was quick today.
Yo, chat, how is this guy not like, you know, mods? What's going on? I'm not even reading chat. I don't know. I honestly don't know what it's about. All I know is that there's like 2-3 guys in the chat right now just going off at it, going crazy.
Typing paragraphs.
We can 1v1 in Apex, right? In fighting range.
Can you?
Yeah, you can do that. You can definitely do that. You turn friend fire on. I do it with Loopy all the time. It's fun.
You would get clapped.
Yo, right now after. Oh, you're not home. Oh my god.
Who remembers?
Yo.
No.
Apex. Yo, we gotta run Apex tomorrow after the stream. 1v1.
Who remembers the last FPS 1v1?
Yeah, this time we're kind of balanced out because I actually didn't play Vanguard, but now that we're both at Apex, so like we start at the same time, it's a little more even here. This is a pretty even game, to be honest. Pretty even.
My brother in Christ, you will not win a single game.
Yo, chat, watch this.
Have you played Rust?
Rust? Like the game Rust?
Talking about the game Rust, yeah.
Or Modern Warfare Rust. Yo, when they say 1v1 mean Rust, do they mean like Modern Warfare Rust or like the game Rust?
They mean Modern Warfare Rust, but have you played the game Rust?
No, I haven't. What can I bet on it? We have a poll. We can bet on a poll.
For what?
Apex.
Oh, you always win the poll.
Well, this time they see me get clapped in Vanguard. It might be different this time, you know, Marcos?
Hey, you guys know betting odds, right? So if you just bet on me, you get the big payout.
I wish I have channel points, man.
I know.
It'd be so late with Forex too, cause like, yo, we'll just kind of make a bottom wick, channel points up. Like, it's literally be so clean.
So fun. You know, it'd be funny though. The thing about channel points and the trades is that, like, technically, if they just use the probability from the spreadsheet and they use risk management, they could have so many points. They grow their points account the same as the trading account. But that's a bunch of gamblers, so. What does it say? Next year?
There's no article on it. Just Reddit.
We need Fwiz back.
Nice. Break the lows, gold. You're almost there. You're like 10 pips away, gold. 10 pips away. Because then that'll be the bomb for 4 hour candle, right? If it flips. This guy has no top wick, there's no bottom wick as well. The stops are massive.
Yeah, they are.
God damn. Yeah, what's up with people these days mentioning bald humans? You just mentioned it. Ted mentioned it yesterday. What's going on? Was it yesterday? Or was it yesterday or the day before? Ted mentioned bald humans. I was like, oh, who's he referring to?
Yo, Daniel, what I just thought of? We have to plan our greeting ahead of time so we don't mess it up. Are we gonna do a secret handshake? Are we gonna hug it out?
What the fuck? Sure.
We can't be caught lacking in the airport.
This guy Marcus be shy in person. Nah, I'm
You
never.
know what I'm talking about? When you see someone for the first time, you're like, do I dap them up? Do I?
Nah.
What am I doing here? And then you go like, this is what it looks like. It looks like this. You don't know what you're doing.
Nah.
You're like.
Nah, it's only when like you don't talk to people. Like if you know the person, kinda, like you kind of know the vibe, like you know.
Solid dap, like a loud one, right? Like hand to hand.
Yep.
Earthquake throughout the airport.
Oh, 15 broke the lows. 15 closed, then closed bearish, or else we would have had sell stops. 930 though, chat. If you get a closure like this, I mean, look at the 4 count now, it's just ripping down. Nice. Yeah, if you get third closure here, that'll be decent. We'll have sell stops in 13 minutes here. Gold broke the lows, right? No, it didn't. Damn.
An exclamation point vibe check.
Nah, that's the JXTR one. It's the hearts.
Is it vibes? I forget which one it was. Yeah, it was.
Bro, sometimes chat needs it. Usually this will annoy me on it, but today for some reason it's just whatever.
I think it's just funny because it doesn't involve you.
Yo, it's funny. I was just laughing at this guy. Yes, sir. Bro, what time you on Apex, Mark? You said like evening, like late.
Like 7:30.
Yeah, probably tomorrow thing then. Guys, gold this morning. Change your name back to the culture shift?
I did. I'm back to incognito. When am I gonna get my rainbow salary? Is that a year or the 9 months?
A year. I think 9 months is
Oh, you don't have a 9 months. Oh, it's not even rainbow, it's ice.
yeah, it's a blue. mini roots. I think we haven't had a position like 5 days, man. It's been 2 days. Like the last time we had a position chat was the 2nd, but it feels like it's been a long time.
I guess we'll never know.
Mine don't match yours for some reason. I draw on a time frame that I'm looking for positions on. So right now, this is off the 4-hour time frame. Early on it was a bit different off 30-15, but now that it came down to like the 4-hour time frame, I drew off the 4-hour time frame. So I drew it basically from this range to left, like right here. Sorry, right here. I think I had it right here earlier. To the next range down at 161,263.
I am outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, ride or they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby.
Yeah, chat. My cutoff time today is like maybe break the lows, almost there, gold. Let's break the lows. I'm sorry if some by the way, if you guys are in buys and you guys are stops below the range, I'm sorry, but I mean let's hope you survive somehow and it breaks the lows for some reason. But yeah, I want to see break the lows. I want to see a 4 bottom wick here. That's what I kind of want. And one more pip. Ghost is dropping FML. Why FML? That's what we. You're not in positions, right? Chat. You're not in positions with Paul, right? You study?
No, I'm waiting.
What's it doing?
It's falling right now.
It's at FML.
Really, gold? You're a pip away. Just do it. Oh my.
Do it.
Of course. Not gonna do it.
There's technically a little bottom wick on the previous.
Yeah.
Could just respect.
I mean, this could be the bottom wick. Like that 15-minute situation earlier we had at 8:15.
This is our NYSE water bottle bucket grab. 360. Break the lows, then reject, and close above.
Very disciplined today. Child, we could have easily been in GJ. We could have easily been in gold too. But we waited and waited and waited for our setup, right? And doesn't it just feel so good? Every day in my books. Let's see if we can get rewarded for it though. Yes, they're looking nice. Yeah. Anything below 32,700 today is very clean. Very clean. Gold, break the lows. Almost. We're a pip away.
Sniffing.
It's like, just breathe on it.
Wonder if it already broke on TD. Oh, it just broke on Trader's Domain. Oh, no, it didn't.
Yeah, high time is bullish, You're still being biased? Well, just because you took a loss doesn't mean it was stupid. Because you took it because you waited for your setup, right? Again, as long as you stuck to your plan, you won. It doesn't matter what position you took, buy or sell. But as long as you stuck to your plan, your trade, you won. Okay, if this has been part of your playbook from time, and you took it and you lost today, it doesn't mean it's bad. It just means that it maybe didn't play out today, but it's not stupid. I mean, all right.
Broke the lows.
Oh, GJ broke the highs. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lovely. Aren't you guys glad we didn't get in? Were your first people awake? Yeah, sells me on gold probably wouldn't be an option for me until honestly, like it looks kind of chalk for sells. Like not chalk, but in terms like it might take a while to set up. But below like 1769, 1770, if you had a range too. Oh, detect the copper audio. Where it'll break.
Wordle for 6 minutes. I mean, gold kind of looks chalk for 9:30 anyway.
5 minutes from 9:30. Let's see. There's a range 2 here. There's a support right here to the left at 1776 here. Technically, that is a range 2. Or about the lows. Should wait for closures. Well. Looking at trade agent today again? Yes, sir.
Got a little.
You see, TT? I respected your trade earlier. What up, Carlo? Hey. Carlo, you back yet or what? I know you passed by to say hi, but like, when are you gonna be back? Only OGs know, Carlo. Yeah, smoking for just started. Whatever Wickstein gave us. That's why he's not here right now. Where is he? He's not showing up today. He gets kind of busy. How'd you guys do today though, guys? Pretty volatile day today. Lots of opportunities. Like, what'd you guys do today? Positions, no positions. Percentage gains today. Percentage loss. What was it today? Gold, GJ, buy, sells. You took anything, Marcos, or?
I had gold 1% last night and then just deleted buy stops today.
Yeah, my day chat was break even so far. One trade yesterday. Hit BE by a pip. That's right. I'm still trying to A it up.
Full margin gold.
I will say again though, like I did say before, I mean it happens all the time, but typically a day after like today, tomorrow, a day where we have lots of volatility, the next day usually will be our better days in terms of price action. So we usually would get a lot of positions the next day. Are you in GG buys? Nope. I'm not in anything. I'm waiting for his 30-minute candle to close. I want that 30-minute candle in GG to close bearish here, but looks like it's gonna close bullish above. There's no sells for me, or yeah, no sells for me. There's no buys for me. Yeah. No positions for me. Gold. Looks like Thursday closed below the range. You might get a range 2 coming down to fill the range at 17.72. The 4-pip range going down. Let's see what happens here. If the third man count closes respecting, then you have potential for a fake out buys above 1780. But if it closes below here for range 2, there's a high chance the next third man count you may see just drive down for the range for like 35 pips here. Yeah, I have US third market open here too. Yeah, in about 42 seconds. NYC. I need this. Oh, you're gonna respect it. Okay, we can stay around to 10. Because if you respect this potential, you have plenty of potential here. I might have spoke too soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, you're closing respecting it. So 10 AM could be interesting. Or oof, right below. Yeah, right below. Damn, last second right below. Ah, okay. Interesting. How big are stops in the previous third mid high? Oh, way too soon there. 49 pips. Probably want a current count stop. Probably want a current count stop. The range going down here in a breakout of lows is like 31 pips. So probably want a current count stop. I want to see probably like 17, 7, 8 before I have self stops on gold. Yeah, potential here. A lot. Yeah. Because if it closed above, would it close above the support to the left there? All right, but it closed right below it. Yeah, range 2 sells aren't bad. Let me just readjust these lines here. A little too thick. Cool. Yeah, I want to see like 17, 7, 8. Once it gets tapped, we'll have a sell stop on the breakout lows using current kind of high. So if this is a high, if that's the high, then it'll be like 20 pips. Damn. Oh, we need 15-minute highs, actually, chat. 15 highs aren't bad. 15-minute highs are going to be around 23. Yeah, you can have sell stops here. Sell stops at 1776.131. I didn't see the 15 till now. Ooh, pushing. Activated, chat. So sell's got activated here. Stop loss is the previous 15 high for around 28. TP is going to be down here for around 31 pips. This is the TP down at like 17.72. All right. And just put the stop loss. I didn't have time to put stops. Nice. There, you got that? We did. Manny executed. It was near. It was basically near the entry point. Well, it didn't close partials though. Didn't do anything. We're just in. No partial closures. No break even. Nothing yet. I wouldn't have gotten break even anyways. My break even point here, chat, is gonna be down here to the left on the breakout lows at 1775.078. All right, that's the B point. Yeah, previous 15-minute stop, so it's gonna be a 26 pip stop here. 26 pip stop. The TP is around 31 pips. Yep. Nice, chat. Gonna move my stops to break even here, make this a risk-free trade. And then gonna let the rest run here towards the TP. I think I'm gonna close 75% here as well, my positions. So pop the 20, you're gonna close like 15 lots and leave a 5 running towards TP. All right.
W trade, man. W trade.
Yes, yes, yes. I saw that 15 last second. It's kind of why I had a slow reaction to it. I really wanted Prius 30, but I wasn't looking at 15, I guess. But 15 stops.
Speak, bro, because it was so fast.
Yeah.
I got slipped too.
Yeah.
I got slipped like 4 pips, so I'm probably gonna BE now.
I manually executed. What's your entry?
1775.9.
Damn. 75. Oh, 75.
Bro, my sell stop was at 76.4. I got flipped like 5 pips.
Yeah, I manually executed 1776.88.
Ooh, drive now, I survived. Come on, drive now, I survived. Nope, gotta take me out before it goes. It's sniffing me.
Yeah, Chad, we closed. I closed 75% there because I'm looking left there. Like, there's a minor support to the left there at like 774.615. So at that point, it was just a closure, partial closure for me. If you guys hit BE, I mean, I'm still in here. Mantra's at 1776.88. But if you guys are still in here, right? Or if you guys got break even, don't complain to me because last night, when everyone in the signal channel didn't hit BE, I got hit BE. And they ran for 80 pips. So don't come complaining now to me. I didn't complain yesterday. I'm like, no, just take it out. You guys, W for you guys. But I mean, I'm still in here. I manually executed too. I didn't have time for sell stops. And I knew I didn't have time too. Because that 15 flipped way too quick. Might get stopped BE though.
Yeah, I got hit beat. I got slipped.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people had positions though for had the potential for sell stops to actually place them, right? I couldn't even send a signal for it too. I was kind of quick.
Good day.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, not like
You take it.
I'll take it. Yeah, that's the thing. I'll take it. Like, we wanted runners, but
Nice initial push.
yeah. The first initial push, like, chat, like, even if it drove, like, I wasn't gonna move stops to break even there. The breaking point was gonna be to break out lows. And I mean, that's what we kind of did here, right? That was like 30 seconds. Yeah, it was quick. But you can't control time though in trading. You can't control those things. A bigger spread.
Manual execution probably did better than self stop.
Yeah, no, like I manually executed. I got active before.
Because on trading view, I closed half at like 17, but on my broker I got like 10. Crazy.
Not bad, chat. Like 3 hours for a 5-second trade. I mean, I'll take it. We're not done yet too. There's still 10 a.m. here too as well. So I'm staying till 10:30. But yeah.
3 hours for a 10-second trade is perfect description of being a trader.
Mark, did you have a sell stop before or?
I did have a sell stop before using current candle stops.
Oh, current candle, nice. 17 pip stops. Wait, what? 8342.
Backfired though. Got slipped up the wazoo.
Wait, why'd I add a new section? This is a day still, right? Yeah. 8-4. Yeah, I hit break B, chat. I hit B. Nice. I closed 75% though. It wasn't a 50 closure. It was a 75% closure. Since like the bias was bullish though. So it wasn't a 50 there.
Yeah, that'd be good. 75% closure. I feel like if I got like the actual like 17 pips, I would have maybe, but literally got 10, 11.
What am I doing here? What am I doing? What was the trade? Trade was breakout, current higher low, right? Yeah, current higher low. Wasn't the flip, and then it was off the 30 full risk. Closed half at 14, and yeah. All right, creeping up. Just delete this. Yeah. Yo, Paul, what'd you do in there? On a trade.
Yeah, I took the sells, and then I also had US 30 running. I just closed a couple minutes ago on a sells.
I saw one comment only today before a trade, and it was, "Why are you taking us out the order block?" Anyone else see that?
Yeah.
I did not see that.
He's like, "You're trading against the banks." Hey man, I trade against the banks every single day of my life, and I get order blocked every single day of my life. I literally get order blocked so hard every day, chat.
Are you shorting into an order block? You are trading against the banks. I think they're trolling.
No, yeah, he's just trying. I think I've seen him. Oh, GJ though.
That was clean.
1 hour closure below bearish count closure, because then you don't have to worry about the 1 hour count anymore, chat. But it's 10 a.m. That's the thing. I didn't take a trade yesterday, even though we could have had at 10 a.m. Right?
Did it play out?
Yeah, I played out for 30. It was 10. I guess it depends on the day. Today's kind of different since you have interest rates. There's definitely leftover volume. Let's see. The 1 hour close is bearish. We'll have sells potentially. Was that a fake out trade? It was a breakout. It was I called it as a breakout sell on a current higher low. Oh, I want to trade up to 10 because it's the last hour of the 4 hour candle, or sorry, of the London markets. Was that 11, right? Hey, gold can still drive up here. That could just be the 4 hour bottom wick. It can still flip bullish on the 4 hour candle. Still get a fake out. I guess you can move your support back down here to here now. Because I think the 15-30 minute support is different from the 1 hour. Yeah, you can get a fake out above 10 a.m. Not bad. Let's do a Wordo real quick though, chat. Get rid of the bad bears in the chat. I think 100 are gonna leave again. I mean, I don't know why they leave every day, but Wordo, and then we'll come back to the charts for 10 a.m. All right. Trade. Trade.
I'm thinking like IRE.
How about this?
I don't know.
How about this?
2 E's though?
Fuck it. I feel confident.
All right.
Okay, well, I mean, we can do anything else literally, but
Hey, you said you feel confident. I trust your gut.
okay, not bad, not bad.
That's not bad. That's
The
not
H,
bad.
H
Yeah.
is key, because what other word? Yeah.
R first. Rhino. Rhyme.
Oh, good guess.
I felt like that was it before.
Bro,
No?
easy clap.
We've
easy.
had that word before.
Yeah.
No cap. We've had that word before. Wordle ran out of words.
I mean, how many words did it have? How many possibilities?
I don't know, like a million.
Oh, you can link your account now. Oh, after a year, you can link your account to Wordo. Like, why wasn't that thing before?
Should we link the devious email?
Yeah, we should do a Devious account.
Add a bot. Add a bot to the Discord. Yeah, we could add what we could add to the Discord? Gambling. A casino.
We had that day before, I think. I don't know how to set it up.
I could set it up. I just have to actually do it. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's it. That trade did not get caught in the sales channel. I was literally like, I placed my I
Didn't?
I mark executed, and then I was typing it for sell stops. I was gonna retype it, but then like, man, I already broke the lows. Like, it's too late. I had like 5 seconds to do everything. It was impossible for me. But I wasn't type. I didn't have it pre-typed. Usually when I have it pre-typed, I can do it, but I have to type the whole thing out again. Unless I put sell GJ now, and then people are gonna complain and be like, "Oh, I didn't have time to enter," so I didn't want to go through that mess. I'm like, I'm not gonna send it.
They're salivating, bro.
Yeah, it's okay. They caught a thing last night, so And this trade would have hit BE after anyways, so it's not bad.
Let's go to Signals chat. What are you guys saying? No stress. W. I was gone for a second, then missed the trade. How you gonna be at the stream for 3 hours and then walk away for a second? You have to strap yourself to the chair.
Oh, I bought a croissant earlier.
To be fair, you walked away at 9:30. That's kind of a L. There's very specific times not to walk away. That's the 15 and 30-minute closures.
Yeah. If you want to walk away up from 8:30 to 9. You had all that 30 minutes to do it. Or the last 15 in the hourly candle.
Walking away at the stock exchange open? That's a new move.
Chris move? Chris
Yeah,
move? Oh my god.
Get this guy a map.
Get that guy a map. That was funny. Bro, Chris move? I used to watch him all day with like
Really?
iPod King Carter,
Bro.
all those my career NBA 2K dudes I used to watch. Like, yeah. He still makes videos too, but
Maybe we should play 2K My Park.
Former NBA player and a
he never changed, bro.
Should we play 2K My Park? We could play like 2v2, 3v3, 4v4.
Oh,
with
my
numbers.
park, bro. I used to be a sweat in 2K. Yeah, we can definitely run 2K for
I
sure.
haven't run My Park since like 2K4 or 2K16 or something like that. But yo, it'd be funny if we were on stream. We made a team with like devious colored jerseys, and we all wore devious.
Oh, that's my team. Yo, Loopy is fire, I think too. We can have a squad low key.
Luka's
Shifty-
definitely too good, bro.
Shifty played like he played what's the esports team for 2K? My 2K or
Oh
League?
jeez.
Yeah,
Carry me.
he was almost there, I think. Like,
Carry me.
sweat. You have 2K. You have Xbox, right?
I
Is
have
there
Xbox.
cross-plat for 2K? I don't think so. Check.
You gotta
actually.
put. Oh, you mean PS4, Xbox?
Yeah.
I don't know. FIFA is now.
Nah, no crossplay. Damn. Oh.
Rare. FIFA has it.
Splat. Yo,
I'm gonna
those
do,
Christmas sounds.
Yeah, that's good. Yo, you should get that sound when it's a water grab.
Hey, we got water grab ourselves.
You get copyrighted for that?
No. Only when things are about like 7 seconds long. See? They left for Wordle again. Like every day they leave for Wordle. They couldn't even last 5 minutes there, man. It was less than 5 minutes.
No attention span.
This year about vacations, flight catching, train taking. Soon as my nigga off probation, your boyfriend's on a way.
And you didn't play on goal. It's range 1 though. I mean, low key though, cowboy trade.
Gold fake out.
Fake out's better. I was about to say.
Wait, what was the question?
15 onion.
Oh, fake out onion. Fake out onion wasn't bad. Yeah, that's more of a cowboy. Yeah, I more conservative would be about 1780 on a 4 flip. This is exactly what we wanted though.
Bullish, bro. It'd be so clean.
We're only like 4 or 5 minutes to the first 4-hour channel. 10 a.m. after news. Continuation of price. We might have runners today until 9 and 2. Because you have this range, which is around 50 pips. How big are stops on the... Yeah, way too wide.
Late stream?
I'm waiting till 10, yeah. 10, if you get a closure above, perfect. If you don't, then maybe...
Signal channel.
10, 15. If not 10, 15, I'm hopping off. For sure. I want to see the 1 hour close bullish, though. That would be amazing. Then you have current count stop. Tap like 778. Perfect.
A lot of time left on this candle.
11 minutes. Yeah.
That's so clean.
Like this would be perfect. Oh wait, I don't want
Might
that. Yeah.
Might not be a big bottom link. Might tap most recent.
Just to the right, raps to the left. Arj in the middle, got C to the death. Batch full of dogs with a 60.
What's the record for the year? This is so messy today. 3-1. Yeah, a little slowish dog. By next year, when we add percentage to our trades, it's gonna be great.
W.
Your record is 7. When I get 2 trades here, hold on. Oh yeah, this I didn't add this previous trade. This one the other day, the 8 pips at the end of the stream. And then 3-1 for a month. Yeah, I forgot to add that. Damn, it's been a couple days. No wonder we've been kind of talked. There you go. Proof is in the pudding. 1 hour closure. Sheesh.
Damn.
I just realized I didn't drink water at all today. It was all coffee. That's not good. Hey, Apex, I am after. Me and Loopy are gonna run Apex up in for like a couple hours. So I'll be streaming it. Gonna try to hit plat or some plat 3 or 2. The reset is gonna be brutal, man. Got like 4 days left. Marcos, you want to discuss that tweet you had last night? You want to discuss that tweet you had last night?
What you mean? The Lululemon one?
No. The tech brand.
Oh no, it's a secret. Sorry.
No, like talk about the tweet, not about what it is. It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Chat world today. We're ready to do it. They're like 10 minutes ago. Like Nike Dunks? I'm kind of over them. Maybe like 2020 summer.
Where's clogs?
And I had I've wanted like from time. My favorite dunks of all time are these. I think it's 27. I forgot what year it was. Not those. Those are these ones. These are my favorite dunks of all time. But I think these dropped a long time ago.
I got 1 pair of dunks.
Yeah, these ones.
Those are crazy looking.
Yeah, but prices are nasty. Like before the whole hype thing went up, it used to go for like 400 or 500. I fumbled. I didn't get a pair because I don't think I ever had my size. I ever found my size. I always thought it was like 8, 7. It's too small. And then after the whole hype went up, it was like 1.4, 1.5 now. Like,
What are those called?
These are CG. Like this is a Dunks collab with Congressman. The Nike collab. Yeah, they're clear too. So like wearing those socks, bro, that shit steams up inside. It looks sexy.
Bruh.
Imagine it steams up, bro. You see your yellow toes? That's gross.
I wanted to get a pair of UNC dunks for some devious picks.
Oh yeah, you have them this week, right?
I have a shop local to me. I don't think I'll have time to order on like Goat or something.
Nah, you definitely don't. Go to like those. Yeah, yo, go to
I live
bro.
in New York,
You're in New
everywhere.
York, bro. You're literally go to round two, New York.
Bro,
You ever been there?
you know, yeah, it takes so much. I'm not round two, but it takes so much work to get to like Sneaker City is
Soho,
good,
bro.
but Sneaker City is all the way in. Where is Sneaker City?
Wait, you're in Manhattan right now.
I think Sneaker City's uptown. Yeah, I'm busy today. I'm going to the pool.
Oh, I forgot you're in New York, bro. You have all the spots. Like you have everything. You have Supreme. You have Dover Street Market. You have
And,
all
Flight
these
Club.
stores. Yeah,
I
you
a
have
place
Flight Club.
right next to my house. That's right next to my apartment. That's a sneaker shop. That's where I bought my last pair of Dunks. My University Reds.
I just realized how much I miss New York. I
Come
New York's
through.
litty.
Come through. You can sleep on my couch. Since you're 5'4", it's perfect size.
There's no bugs in Vancouver. Yo, that sushi in Vancouver is different. The seafood sushi. What else is in Vancouver? Food's good.
So excited for the food. I had seafood 2 days ago. I had a lobster roll with mahi mahi tacos. Ooh. With calamari, with white wine. It was fire.
Oh yeah, drinking. I forgot.
Wait, what?
You get litty in Vancouver.
Exclamation point meme, is that a thing? Oh, you guys want it to add? I'll add it. I'll add it right now. Has Dom been depriving you of exclamation point meme? Don't worry, Chad. I'm here to save you.
Go buys. Yep. 1 hour closure up here. Just need a bottom wick. So honestly, if price opens up here and does something like this, boom, we'll have a buy up in the bracket highs. But minimum here for me for bottom wicks is gonna be like 1780, the most recent support to the left. So this is what I'm expecting for the 1 hour candle. The steeper the wick, the better, but we're really forced here to use the current candle stop because the stop loss will be the current low, right? So it's gonna be like 30 pips here. Let's see. 1 minute. We can't use Pierce candle stops. How big is the Pierce candle stop? 100? Rip. Chill, gold, chill. Yeah, go the last minute. Just retrace a bit, gold. Just 81, right? That's all I'm asking for. 81, 81, 82. That's all we need here. We want runners towards 92 here, but I want this range at least to get something decent. I'm not gonna lie. We're closest right here, chat. We might not get a bottom wick. It might just be gone.
Close your eyes and buy.
4 hour flip though. Yeah, we broke this down perfectly though. Perfectly. The whole 4 hour thing too. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Get ready, guys. All right, so this is the hard part. Waiting for the bottom wick. Or expecting a bottom wick, because it might not create one here. And if it doesn't, I'm sorry to say, chat, but they might be done. Maybe 10-15 closure above, but you really want to see his most recent support get tapped. Is there another support here to the left aside from 1780? Okay, so price was A3 here. Bottom wicks, yeah, anywhere here, like 1781. How big are stops now? Not bad. Previous 15, oh no, previous 15 is pretty bad. Previous 15 stops are wild. Yeah, you really need a current count stopper. That's why we need a decent wick here, chat. Break of the highs, 20 pip stops. The break of the previous highs, not current highs. And advantage point is 17 pips. TP is up for 1792. That's not too bad. What's your runners today? 1796. Stop loss is current low. So if this is the high, we break the previous kind of high. Chat, I have a buy stop here, chat, by the way. Buy stops here on a break the previous kind of high though, not the current high, previous kind of high. Or at 1784.300, basically. Alright, TP is at 1796. Stop loss is the current kind of low for 1782.03. Or 1782 on a dot. If it breaks the lows, that's fine. We just adjust, but it's gonna be the previous kind of low stops. Or current kind of lows there. Blueberry buy stops. I'll let you guys know exactly where it is. Should be the same though. Price is the same today. Yeah, 17 to 4.29 on blueberry. Same then. Looks a bit different actually. On blueberry it's a bit higher, but here it's just a break of the price kind of high. All right. Yep. B point, chat, is going to be the small resistance to lefter, right? That's the B point. We may close partials at 1785. I'll let you guys know, but that is the B point, and then we'll probably let the rest run towards runner positions. Because if you're filling this wick on a forward counter, right, there's a high chance to fill the wick, and once you fill the wick, you break the highs on the forward candle. Look left, you're gonna have clean traffic all the way up to like 1796 here, with the daily time frame being bullish though, because it'll be the day we break the highs. And look at that daily. Anything above that wick to the left that we mentioned earlier is all clean traffic. So like 1802, 1805 ish, right? So 1796 will be a TP in this case. Yes, sir. Second positions of the day. Well, that's me out of position at 10 a.m. Breakout, Purse higher low off the 1 hour. Full risk. Last time I had a trade on a 10 a.m. was this month. 8 pips. Oh yeah, that was 2 days ago. I remember that. Nice. Oh, could we get activated here, chat? Almost. 29 my broker on Blueberry. And there it is. Buy stops have officially been activated. We're in some buys here. TP is up at 1796 for daily runner potentials. And then stop loss is the current low for 20 pips. So TP is at over 120. Stop loss is around 20 pips. Break-even point is 1785 here, 0.600. Alrighty. Because that's the next amount of resistance to the left-hand side. Got split a bit there, just a bit. 1784.34 is my entry. You don't get Ted? Yeah, he comes to our streams all the time. Yeah, I posted him yesterday. No longer available, but yeah, we definitely comes by all the time. I guess you can see a stop loss is I mean the current kind of low, right? It's also going to be the previous 5 low. I'm not B yet, chat. Still in. Stop loss is 1782 on a dot, all right, on Blueberry. It's like a pip below for spreads. Right there. Ooh, GG came down. Nice. Sunday 85 level was freaky. It was freaky. Yo, Sunday 85 level was freaky, done. Yeah, that's our amount of resistance too, anyways, right? So we're break even there. I'm pretty sure we break the high here. You should be making our way up towards that amount of resistance to the left minimum. So it should tap that resistance that you mentioned, 85, and that's risk free. And we'll let the rest run towards TP. If there wasn't resistance here, I probably wouldn't move stocks break even just yet, but since there is, you have to take advantage because at any given point at this resistance, price can reject, right? Very small stops too, pretty rare. Yeah, it's a 1 hour closure, first higher low breakout on the 1 hour. So gold 84%. 1 hour is 14 on, or yeah, 6-7 trades of 70%. Breakout is 99 trades of 80%, and the current higher low, or previous higher low, is 68 with 36 trades. Oh shit, my fault.
Nah, I muted myself.
Someone call market maker real quick. And chat, tapping that minor resistance to the left. This is the break-even point, so I am going to stop this break even here. At that minor resistance to the left. Didn't close partials just yet. My entry on Blueberry Markets is 1784.34. So if you guys want, you guys to move your stops there as well, or do manage risk however you guys want to manage risk. But this is break even. I believe, yeah, 2010. I'm gonna close half here as well, chat. I'm gonna just close half this time, not full, because, or not 75%, because I want to see runners here go. So I'm gonna close half here at my resistance and then let the rest run towards TP as well. All right.
W.
WW.
Good job, everybody.
Yeah, I closed there around 12 pips.
Can we survive?
It was same one. Yep. If we could close above for the 15 candle, above 85, we should be solid.
Here's that new 5.
Yeah.
Can we tap 5 resistance at 88? Ah.
It's struggling here. But this is where we move stops breaking on for a reason, right, guys? It's for a reason why we move stops break even here.
Flipping. Oh yeah, I forgot the W spam.
Oops, my fault. Nice.
I don't know, today felt simple.
It's pretty calm. Yeah, like we didn't catch anything too crazy. It was just like slow pace, but it was a grind. But
it was like
patience.
Yeah, patience and just like chill setups. Like none of our setups really went into drawdown. It was just like go. That's how it should be.
What's your TP, Paul and Marcos?
I had 1799.
Yeah, me too.
99? Where's your 99? Daily?
Got off the daily.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's what happened.
Yeah, my day target is 805, but I'm just gonna leave 96 here.
I'll probably close on another 25% at 17, like 90,
2.
91.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'll leave the last 25 to 99 and just like let it vibe.
It's a good plan. I think I'm gonna do the same. I think I'm gonna close another 25 at 91.
You close 50, right? At resistance, not 75.
I close 50, yeah.
Now go to the gym. I'm just gonna do only bench press. That's it.
Sheesh.
Clean flows today. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Felt very flow, like a lot of good flow. You got a lot of water down at 1775, so
We may just create a bottom wick and thought out, but 15, that's 2 minutes left, man. Just close above. If you guys thought out chat, that's the day. That's the day for me. No more trades. I'm gonna call it and wait until Asian.
You put onion in the spreadsheet?
Was it onion? Oh yeah. Ah, fuck. I put the breakout. Yeah, it wasn't onion. So in that case,
You're sabotaging the onion one, right?
yeah. 30-minute onion or 1 hour onion. Yeah, you're right. It's onion. Not bad. Yeah, we gotta
for runners. I feel like
run is also great when it's like end session, but it makes sense though. Like onion requires a pullback and retracement, right?
yeah.
Chat, if stops weren't bad on a forward count, we would have had entries here, but stops was like 60 pips there. I didn't want to have a 6 pip stop.
Can we get another push before 10:15?
1788 here.
Yes.
Not bad, chat. You guys did decent today. Nice, decent vibes for Panda. Not really.
This trade was sending signals, right?
Yeah, for sure this time.
Yeah, someone asked. All or Nothing documentary. I'm on episode 3 already. I watched 2 last night. I stayed up late. It's so good.
Where's Wix today? This is busy. Is this your song, chat? I just love a song, don't you? Bad Bunny fans in the chat. I think this is Paul's song. You listen to Bad Bunny, Paul?
I used to like a lot. I used to like go to the clubs and shit.
Oh yeah.
But
15 closure.
Did it close above? Yeah, it did. All right, no bottom weight here. Just drive. Yo, the chances of us surviving this chat, from 1 to 10, I'll say is a solid 4. It's gonna create a bottom weight, but how far, or if it does? I mean, unless the 4 can already like, I mean, a 1 hour had a 1. That was it.
Look at the previous push from this morning in London. There was a lot of no bottom wickage.
you should be good, to be honest, with all that liquid draft from the bottom.
You have
those water bottles. Dude.
You have Chicago open at 10 a.m.
That's what I was saying. 1775. We tapped a very deep level for this push.
Yeah.
Yo, 2 p.m. Yo, chat, TP hit. Nice.
I'm pretty confident. I'm like a 8 out of 10 that this will hit TP. It's more so if we'll survive. Yeah. Then there'll be people be like, oh, well, if you think that you're gonna hit it 8 out of 10, just take off stop loss. No.
Yeah, no more risk on the line for the day. It's 10 p.m. on an afternoon.
Yeah.
Like, there's no reason you should be having a losing day today at all.
10-15. We already secured, 10-15 pips today. Now I have a risk-free runner, a 0 to whatever RR. Go to the gym happy. We're about to tap 1788. Everybody go touch grass after this.
Yo, peace out, ballin'. Doesn't it feel good though, chat? Not taking an impulse today and then waiting for yourself to come to, even though it took 3 hours today, and then seeing it come and just like getting in, executing, and seeing it play out. Like, there's not much a much better feeling than taking an impulse and making money and taking an impulse trade.
This is a chill ass day.
It feels healthy. It feels healthy, It's like you're eating healthy shit.
The reason I don't want to take any profits at 1788 is because what we've seen about like the monthly candle is when you get those like monthly highs, if you do break them, you end up getting like an extra 30 pips right there. And 1788 is the monthly high. So I want to TP another 25% at the break of the monthly high to like 1792. Broccoli. No. Jinx.
Alright, chill, boys. I gotta head out.
Alright, my brother.
Paul.
Later.
Peace out, y'all. Take it easy. That's coming by.
I'm gonna head out in like 5 minutes. I wanted to see if we could take another partial before I get off.
The break-even point is pretty high. How delayed are you, Kenneth? You might be delayed by like 10 minutes, I think. He's asking with the trade.
No, I think he thinks that that your yellow line is break even. That's 75%. That's TP2.
Yeah. We already closed 50%. Maybe I should put that here. We already closed 50%. Sorry, these lines are confusing today, but I mean, what can I do? I thought you were delayed, Kenneth. I'm like, you have a 15-minute delay, which means you might get this message in 15 minutes. No, yo, I appreciate you guys for being here, by the way. 900 of you guys. Only 230 likes, though? Come on, it doesn't make up for that. We can get easily 600 today, 500. If you guys really try to, you know. Leave a like for patience and education.
What am I doing?
230 likes? I never asked for likes, though, but... Come on, you guys need better than that. 300 already? Damn. 15 bottom wick. Here it goes. All right, that's it. No more. If it breaks 5 lows,
yeah, we need to relax here.
I don't think it'll be the best idea to move stops to the current low as well, because you're still below the zone on the onion. Yeah. If you close above in a 1 hour, then yeah, maybe, but that's in 4-5.
I have a little bit of a worse entry too. I'm at 5.8.
What's your position? What's your entry?
1784.58.
Oh, I got 34.
Yeah, so I might get hit before you. I mean, I might get hit, and you might not get hit.
Just move it to mine. 2 pips.
Thanks.
I got slipped. I got slipped by like, I think, half a pip. What time are you live? 6:30. I'm Eastern every day. More information about your trading group? Discord.
Mm.
5-minute broke lows. 5-minute close bearish with no bottom wick.
I'm out. You're not. You're gonna survive, and I'm out. I already
still
know what's
in.
gonna happen. I've seen this movie before. I don't like this movie. I'm
Hey,
gonna
yesterday.
I'm turning the movie
Yeah,
off.
you had the movie yesterday though.
I know.
This might be the
I'm turning
revenge.
this movie off. Yeah, I'm turning this movie off. This movie stinks.
Nah, I mean, looks like it might get hit. All right, chat. So, what do you guys mentioned before the trails even taken today? Okay, so 834 is the entry on Blueberry. 84.34. You rewind the stream. Almost. If it flips 5 in the bullish, we might survive, but let's gotta flip.
Nah, this movie is awful.
What was the peak there for us? 28. Yeah, not bad.
I want you to survive because I survived yesterday.
You got 40 yesterday, right? 40 pips.
I got net pips was 40. I think I closed at like I forget where I closed. I don't even remember where I closed. Good, bro. Oh no, he's gonna survive.
If the 5 can close bullish above, 5 closes bullish above his zone. They just hop off.
Breaks the highs. If this breaks the highs, I'm leaving the Zoom.
All left, pod dip, yeah.
Yeah, he did. Who's still in, chat? Who's still in?
I think a lot of people are still in. Nice support from. I got that off of the daily. Oh, daily is like, I think I got that off the 4 hour, I believe, or 1 hour. I think it was a 1 hour. Yeah, I was off the 1 hour.
Everybody's in still. Damn, I'm on an island. Pray for me. I'm starting a GoFundMe.
Hey, 2 pip sacrifice.
Yeah, I was the sacrifice for this to go up. They needed to grab somebody, right? Someone had to be grabbed. Just remember that. Remember when you're all at the top.
Oh.
Yeah, you're welcome for the liquidity.
Thank you, Marcos. I want to say thanks, Marcos.
You guys ate my account. I think everybody's still in. No need for a poll.
Yeah, 26 entry on Blueberry. Or on IC. Yeah, the boss up I gave was 34, or no, it was 28, but I got slipped by half a pip, so I got to get him 34. I'm gonna stop here, chat. It created a high. It didn't break the 5 highs. It's like gonna come down, hit stops there, or hit B. Almost, and sniffing it. Still sniffing it. And still sniffing it. We're gonna hit break even. Sniffing hard. Hey, just hit BE or hit something. I just want to play Apex. I'm happy with the half closure. I think if I didn't close 75% of the first trade, I would have closed 75% of this trade. Still alive. Hey. Who's still in? Do you drink? No, I'm allergic. Well, I do. I could. No, I'm not allergic. I don't know. I think I'm allergic though, but I could drink a bit. Not too crazy though. Still in? Hey. Still on blueberry? See? Good chat. Blueberry gang with me.
I want to be in Blueberry Gang so bad.
Oh shit, that's why I closed bearish too. Yeah. Oh man.
You might be fine.
Range
That's
one.
a resistance. I mean, that's a support.
5-minute range one. And yeah, B hit B chat. Nice. All right, that's the trade. Not bad. I'll take it. At the end of the day, it's a W day. Rear stops. Yeah, that's it for me, chat. That's it for me. On to the next day. All right. So have a good day. I guess I'll catch you guys during Asian tonight. All right, in the same channel or whatever. So I'll be on Apex right after stream though. So if you guys want to tune in, support the stream.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
I'll be yo, peace out, Marcos. Take it easy. You're home tomorrow? I guess not. Dipping. Yeah, guys. Peace. Oh, I appreciate you guys being here today. It was a long stream. It was a long grind. Patience paid off though. How long was the stream today? 3.5 hours? Yeah, we waited like 3 hours for like 2 subs, which isn't bad. But yeah, guys, take it easy. I'll catch you guys in the morning tomorrow, 6:30 Eastern. Thanks for coming by. I love you guys. And yeah, let me just play the outro. Alrighty. Peace out, yo. Of course it flips.
Can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. Yeah, they like Stevie. They can't see me. They won't beat me. I'm in that guinea. Look like zucchini. Wanna feed you. It ain't need. She won't please me. Cause she need me. Oh, I mean.
A 30-minute closure above the range. I'm playing.
They like mine. Oh, like me. We pull up with sticks and hella choppers. We don't fuck with niggas, they the cops. I put my heart and soul into the Glock. Bitch, us, never them. You ain't that, bitch, I'm him. You get zapped if it's static. Get that Mac, it go fume. Smoking gas, smell the fume. In that vet, it go fume. I'm a vet, little dude. You a pet, do what I say, not what I do. Tell him sit. Bitch, come here. I just seen some niggas down the block, that they from here. No, I got a lot, but I need some damn more, yeah. If I catch the ops, then I'm up in the damn score, yeah. can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. Yeah. They like Stevie. They can't see me. They won't beat me. I'm in that guinea. Looks like zucchini. Wanna feed you. And they need me. She won't please me. Cause she need me. Whole like me. They like mine. Whole like me. She like mine. Whole like me. She like mine. Whole like me. She like mine. No doubt.
She like Cardi. Man, I need it. She taste like water. Oh, I need it. Come get your daughter. She too greasy. She so neat. I'm not vegan. I'm gon' eat it. I bet you I beat it. I put on a bus. I got to see it. I put on a bus. I'ma leave the whole bleeding. I'ma leave the whole geeking. Have it gone by the weekend. Got too much water. She got me leaking. She got me leaking. I'm on the deep end. I'm on the deep end. Yeah.
I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap.
Wait. I forgot. Hold on, chat. Give me a sec. I gotta do this on stream because if I don't, then we're kind of chalked. Hold on. The spreadsheet here. Spreadsheets. Half 12. Gave him a 12 and signals 8 for 2022. Gold eyes 12. One out closure. I think I got more, but 12. Yeah, little weird start to the month. Okay, cool. It's a record 4 for the monthly. 4 wins for the monthly for us on the stream, and for overall for the year, that's your 80th win. My lucky number. Cool. All right, chat. Peace out. Love you guys. Get easy.